Happy Tuesday. What's today? Tuesday. How y'all feeling? Everybody good? All right. Zoom link is out. Zoom is out, and we're going to get going here. Just a moment. Let me just share my screen, and let's do this. Lovely, lovely. Who do we got here today? What up? Hey, Tamara, blessed and highly favored. I feel that. What up, LeGrand? Good morning, Green. Dennis Hood is in the house. What up, Dennis? What up, Ewan? Good morning, Bruno. Z Gamer's in the house. It's always a good day when Z Gamer is in the house. 11th hour is here. Storm Player's in the house. What up, Storm Player? What up, Ben? What up, Leo Braxton? What's up, Bold? Big Bold in the house. Yanosh is here. YOLO Trader's here. What up, YOLO? What up, Yanosh? Who else we got here today? Let's see. Green, we already said Green. Green's in the house as always. That guy TK is here. What up, TK? Edson's in the house. What up, Edson? Sergio TTE Bank Santos is ready to go. Ready to go, right? You got your celebrating done? You good to roll now? Right? Now we got more work to do. Buck the Fly. What up, Buck the Fly? What up, Beast? What's good, Henry? What up, everybody? All right. Let's do it. Billy O'Neill, Got a Trade is here. What up, Got a Trade? What's up, Billy? What up, Jay Finesse? All right. We are recording, and I think we are ready to go. Yeah, I think we're ready to go here. So you guys ready? As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like today. Give the stream a nice like. Britney Spears is in the house. What up, Britney Spears? AB Mike, what up, AB Mike? All right, let's roll. So let's take a look, gang. It is welcome in, by the way. Welcome to another New York session here, hosted by TTE. It's gonna be a good day as always. It is a new day, right? Let us rejoice in it. Let's be glad. Whatever you guys are dealing with, let's put it to the side for the next 2 or 3 hours, and let's focus on being professionals in this craft, and that way that can kind of shape up and help out on the rest of the things in life that maybe you're dealing with. Maybe things aren't going so well. Hey, no one's got a perfect life. Everyone's dealing with some things here and there, but as we come to the desk here today, let's work on keeping that stuff outside of the office for now, and let's focus on the charts. Let's focus on being patient and disciplined and professional here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news as always. Today is the 21st of November. So damn, did November fly or what? Did November fly? Man, 21st already. Let's pray. Let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for another beautiful day, Lord, a day that you made. Let us rejoice in it. Let's be glad in it, Lord. Take all that I am, Father, and just it's for you. Just have it, Lord. Let this be a stream that glorifies you. We pray a blessing over our trading, a blessing over our hearts and minds, and we just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, cool. Let's do it. Who said that? Thank you for encouraging the prayer. Yeah, amen. All right, let's get going here. Let's take a look at let me just lower the music just a little bit. Hold on. All right, I think that should be good. Cool. Amen's in the chat. Yes, amen's in the chat. Let's get the party started here today. So let's take a look at the news. It is again the 21st here of November. It is Tuesday, and we don't really have much here for the U.S. dollar. So we are looking at some pretty explosive news here on the CAD. You got red folders coming in with CPI. So CPI coming in for CAD today. That should affect gold a little bit. We should get some volume. I don't think we're gonna do any spikers or any crazy moves or reversals or anything like that, but I do think it will push volume into gold here today. So we'll keep an eye out on that. If we do have a playbook set up, maybe we could use the CAD CPI to our advantage here and be able to take a ride here on gold today. So that is it. 10 a.m. brings us to existing home sales. That's towards the tail end of our session here, and that's pretty much it today. Yeah, there's not much going on. 2 p.m. there's a some meetings going on with the Fed, but we won't be at the desk there for that. So that's pretty much it here for the day. Did I send the Zoom? Yeah. All right, cool. Zoom links out. So that's pretty much it. So we're pretty clean here today. So we'll see what the markets have in store for us. Let's go ahead and open up the charts here and take a look at gold. So this is what I'm looking at here. Let's get rid of all the drawings and let's start on the weekly time frame here. We got a lot to talk about here with gold. You guys ready for a breakdown? Did you guys like the stream yet? Like the stream before the breakdown, and it's going to be a great day. We're going to start here on the weekly time frame. We ready? We ready. All right. Let's talk about gold here on the weekly time frame, and let's see what we got going on, right? So today is Tuesday, right? So yesterday this candle did open up, and looks like we've come down. We've created a bottom wick, and we have also broken the highs here, right? So we broke the highs on this weekly chart. Now, one thing about us breaking the highs here was we kind of broke and just back down. Right, back down we go. I believe the 4 hour, let me just briefly, 4 hour close bearish. So broke the highs right away and then immediately started driving back down. For all we know, this candle today, right, may just close bearish. Right, if we just break those highs now and continue to drive back down, what you're going to see here is probably a candle closure looking something like this, or a candle closure looking something like this. Right, that's if we don't come back up. Now, if we do re-break those highs, then we scratch that idea, and you'll most likely see a move up to 20, whatever this is, 2018, 2010. We'll take a look at that. Oh no, 2012 here. So that is a pretty decent range here on the weekly time frame. So it's 150 pips up. We'll go ahead and take a look at the daily, see what everything looks like. But that is that's the story here on the weekly, right? We broke and just driving back down now. So if we re-break the highs, that'll be awesome and price should move up. But if we continue moving down now, right, and start to get closures below on the lower time frames, then there's a high chance that we just broke that high to now come back down. So let's take a look at the daily, see what the daily's got here for us. Looks like, the daily man, I was out yesterday and I peeked at my phone and the daily was flying, breaking the highs here. So what do we have on the daily time frame? We all know that gold is very bullish currently, right? We're trading in a bullish trend here. Price came down, is starting to make its way back up, and maybe we're working on a support, right? Maybe we're just working on a support right here on gold for price to continue on up. So it looks like we're attempting to create this support. We've already broken all these highs here. So now, we tapped into resistance up here, and I don't know, we may reject now, right? Go based off of that weekly candle. We may start to reject here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour and see what it is that we got going on here. So daily yesterday did close bearish. Right now this candle did come up and break all the highs, tapped into 1995 here, which was that resistance, right? So do we get one more tap of the resistance before continuing down? Let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what all this looks like. So looks like the 4 hour drove up pretty heavy all throughout, what is this, Asian? Yeah, I think all throughout Asian here, right? Yep. And then London came around and we're driving back down here. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to find positions today, because look, we're open for buys and sells, right? We closed bearish yesterday, so we want to see if we can see price move back down. We're extremely bullish on today's fresh price action, so we are looking for buys as well. All we have to do at this point, gang, is find our ranges on the lower time frame and see how we can execute, right? So 4 hour candle did close bearish. Now we opened up about I would say 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago, we have not made a bottom wick. We're just pumping up here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like here on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame created a support, right? Very obvious support. And then you also have a resistance here. So let's take a look at that on the 30 as well. You see this exhaustion wick here. Now, if we're moving up, right, what's the chances that if we come down here, create a support, make a high, create a new support, and close above, what's the chances we come up to 93, 94? I think they're very high. right? I think if we create a new support right here on this bullish run, that if you get a closure now above this range here at 1988, then there's extremely clean traffic moving up, right? So you got a nice 40 pip range moving on up towards this resistance level up here, which is 93, and that's what I'm gonna be looking to target, right? So if we do get a closure now we've attempted to do this a few times now, right? So this is we attempted right here to get above, no go. We also attempted again right here, no go, right? This candle was very bullish, poking its head up, ended up closing very weak bearish. So nothing there, and now you see a move back down here. So if a candle does close above 1988 here, you should see a nice drive moving up to like 1993. Again, that's a 40 pip range. That's a range in which I'll be looking to trade in here today. Now, how are we going to prepare for sells, right? So if we're going to take sells, well, let's get rid of everything again. What we have from this day is, from last night, we have a support and we have a resistance, right? And then you have pretty clean move coming down here. So if we're bullish on the day, we can't really, right after breaking all those highs, we can't really take sells right here. So we let this sell go, let it go, create support, create a new resistance, and now you have somewhat of a range too that you can go off of. And I know we are bearish technically on yesterday's close, but according to this fresh price action, we're extremely bullish right now. So if we are going to take sells, we do want to see some sort of a range too, and this is your range too, right here. You have a support, right? You have a resistance, and that is the range. So below that range is clean traffic coming down to this support level at 80 pip range here for price to continue down. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here today on gold. Let's go ahead and look left on the top side real quick and see what else we have. 95 here, 92. Yeah, somewhere right in this range is going to be where I'm going to look to take some partials, and just happens to be right on those wicks there. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for the day. So if you can get a closure above 1988 900 here, I'm going to look to take my buys moving up. And then if you do get a closure below 1985, what is that, 400, 350? Yeah, 350. Then I'm going to look to take my sells coming down. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for gold here today. And that is pretty much it. It's got to let price action do its thing. The buys are pretty much in play. We're just trying to create this support level and then get another breakout. So right now you're just going to mess around within this range a bit. Just honestly, just let price do its thing here. Not going to touch anything. This is going to be a no trade range as of right now, which is 7:10 a.m. Eastern. But anything above 1988 is going to be clean traffic for me to trade in, and anything below 85 here is also going to be pretty clean for price to drive. Now, ideally, we want to see this happen during some times of volume. So if we can just mess around in this range for another 50 minutes or so, that would be great. And then we could look for opportunities for breakouts or onions during the NY Open here. So that is going to be what I'm looking at for gold as of now. And if anything changes, we will adapt. But yeah, that's the day. We could even move this. We could even move this right there. Yep, somewhere right in this range. Yeah. All right, lovely. So that is the day on gold. That's it. Not going to touch anything in the range here. Just going to wait now for some volume and wait for our playbook setup. Yep. Cool. Sweet. So let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen here. See what we got going on with GJ today. And taking a look at the weekly time frame, it looks like weekly is pushing down pretty heavily here, right? We broke the lows after this nice rejection to the top side. I do want to see price move down here on pound yen. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily's been moving down very well. Looks like we're tapping into the support level now, and see what we want to do here at this support. So pretty bearish on the day. We already broke the lows here. We already broke all these lows as well. I could see price maybe pushing down towards like 19 or 183.270 here. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 4-hour time frame. So 19.270, yeah, right around this area here. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we've got a lot of rejections, right? A lot of rejections to the bottom here, as you guys can see. So we really do need to wait for a closure below. I think come 9 a.m. we'll take a look at GJ again, because other than that, we may flip bullish and start to drive up after these rejections. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, see what that looks like. Yeah, just a lot of range here. Major support level there. Yeah, any closures below 184.620 here is going to be good money for sells. Don't want to take the sells too quickly here, because again, this 4-hour can flip bullish at any point and start breaking highs here. So what does the buys look like on the 1 hour? I think probably gonna wait for something like above here for pound yen buys. Yeah, we're very bearish here today. So yeah, as we are making these lows and lower highs and stuff, if you do get a close below 84.620, then I think that's going to be good money. So that's what I'm going to look at for GJ today, and sit tight on that. And boom. Yeah, buys are tough. Buys are tough because we are pretty bearish here on the daily. Now, we can understand that we're coming into support, so maybe anticipate buys, but you know, just because you're coming into a support level doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to reject, right? So you don't want to jump too quickly here today on those buys. So I'm just going to sit tight and wait within this range, and that's what I'm going to look at here. Yeah. Yep. So that is pound yen. Gold is trying to break out. Yeah, it's trying. We just got to wait. We got to wait, right? We got to wait. We got at least 15 minutes for this candle to close here. And we've got at least 45 minutes for the 1 hour. So nothing we could do. Let it just do what it needs to do. And once the candle closes, we'll have a final answer on what the candle does want to do. And if we do have a confirmation, which is a closure above, then we'll look to take our buys here. Yep. We will look to take our buys. What up, Shad? Good morning, bro. Morning, morning. Would you say 1 hour closures are more probable to play out versus 30-minute closure? I wouldn't say that. What I would say is that during times of high volume, right? So once the sessions start to get open, so let's say London session or Asian session, London session, New York session, once they open up, it gives you a bunch of different pockets for volume to come in. So typically when I'm within a session, I'm going to look for 30-minute closures and take my positions off of that, because I want to see how the first half of the 1 hour is looking before I can, and then knowing that volume's coming in, jump in on the second half of that 1 hour candle. Like if you guys go back to yesterday's trade, just look at the 1 hour candle. It was, you can just tell this thing was ready to bleed, right? So knowing that volume is coming in at 8:30, and understanding that if your positions are on the break of those 30-minute lows, aka you know that 1 hour low as well, and the 4 hour low, that you know volume's going to give you that push. So if we wait for like yesterday, if we wait on the 1 hour, then we miss the second half of the NY open candle, which is a big candle. So when the sessions are open, you don't want to wait on the 1 hour too much. I mean, if you have to, you have to, right? But if you're in a session, it's always best to start looking towards the 30. Now, if you're in pre-New York or pre-London like we are right now, then sometimes I'll wait, right? If things don't look the best on the 30-minute closures, I'll wait for the 1 hour, because I know that the 1 hour is going to bring the next set of volume, right? So, yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Did that make sense? Hey, Pakistan, thank you. How many pips range do you need to take a trade? I like for it to be at least 25, 30 pips because, you know, if you have a 30 pip range, you can secure 15, 18 pips pretty easily, right? But if you have a 20 pip or a 15 pip range, you know, you're not really setting yourself up, right, for success. You're probably going to, you know, have like a 8 pip advantage point or something like that. So, you know, if the range is like 25 to 40 pips, like, you know, 30, like this range right here is about 40 pips. So I know I can get, you know, before any resistance is even there, I can see 20 pips here, right? So that's kind of like the ranges I like to trade in. Anything over like 25, really like over 30 pips is going to be a good tradable range. Yeah, it's like a 30 pip range here. But notice how if you do take a sell right here, then you only got 17 pips, so it gets tight. Hey, yo, Jamaica in the house. Adrian Freedom, thank you for the coffee, sir. The man. He's here. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. I'll have to get me some Starbucks. Some Starbucks. You guys drink Starbucks here? Wick the kid in the house dropping some knowledge and wisdom. That is so true, man. Before great success comes, you will surely meet with temporary defeat. Happens every time. What that does is that weeds out the weak. It weeds the weak out, man. It sifts the weak right out. And only the strong survive in the game of success. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, daily candle has no bottom wick. I am concerned with it if we get closures, right? So the price action is going to tell the story. You know, it's going to spill the beans on whether or not we're going to come down and make that bottom wick. So I understand that. I understand also how much bullish momentum is in this candle. So, you know, we build a story for both sides, right? If you get a closure below on these lower time frames, and there'll be a high chance that, you know, the daily candle will, you know, drop down here. But these lower time frames will tell us pretty much everything we need if we could just be patient and wait for closures. You know, those closures tell a story of direction. And, you know, if you get a closure above, then I think that the bottom wick ain't going to have a chance, right? But if you start closing below and driving down pretty hard, you know, then I think there will be an opportunity for that bottom wick to form. But, you know, all the story is going to be told first within this 30-minute, 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, good question, though. Yep, 1 hour is working on a support here. So, right, 1 hour close bearish. So if we respect the high here, which we are, this can just stay in the range. So 1 hour right now, if we can create a support, not only does that give us a support on a heavily bullish trend here, but it also gives us our playbook setup, which is the breakout, right? So not only do we get a support, but we get a breakout, right? Now, let me ask you this. When's the best time to take a buy? Off of what? Off of support, right? When's the best time for us to trade? During times of volume, right? During times of volume. So we're at a support. We have a heavy bullish day. We created a breakout, and now we have volume. What do we know about volume? Volume is going to fill ranges, right? Volume is going to retest previous resistances and supports. So if the story plays out and paints the picture for us, then all we need is our entry, which is a bottom wick, and we're in here, right? This trade would make total sense for us to get into based off of our style of trading, based off of our systems. So yeah, I like buys if we can get a closure above, you know, especially on the 1 hour after creating that support. And if we don't, then we'll wait for it, or we'll see what happens below 85 here. Yeah. Yeah. Once things start lining up, it's only our job now to execute, right? So our main goal as a trader is to be aware of what price is doing, what the market is doing, and how to tie our system in within the information that the data is giving us. And that's how simple trading could be, right? Instead of guessing on this candle going up, why not just wait for a closure, right? Why not wait for the market to answer the question before jumping to the conclusion? That's how a lot of times I would blow my accounts, or how I would lose a lot of trades, is because I thought I knew better, right? I thought that, hey, I don't need a closure, right? I already know where it's going, and sadly, I was wrong many, many times, right? So that's why you'll see me today be very patient and very disciplined, because I understand the pain of what it is to not be as a trader, right? And you'll change when your feeling of pain, finally gives in, and the pain of change starts to become a little bit easier. So sometimes you just got to be in enough pain to realize that you need to change. Yeah. What up, Dopa? Sandman in the building. What up, Sandman? Watch many streamers. I think your style of trading is most healthy and best to learn to be better. Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, it's very simple. So, you guys know I'm not that smart. One thing I am good at is, if I do have something complex or complicated, what I'll do is I will try and break it down in its most simplest forms. I've been doing this since I was a kid. It's just something designed within me. And that's what I did on my approach to trading. I looked at how complicated it was. I looked at how hard people really made it seem. I would take courses and not learn a thing, and think, what is this, right? So how can we simplify this? And that's when I bumped into Raja and them, and they had a very simple system, and I said, man, I can catch on to this, and I can make this trading thing simple for myself. And once I was able to do that, then everything changed for me. Everything changed. And I think it's just a very simple, easy way to look at the charts. Is not much going on. It's a very simple decision, right? It's potential buys above here, closure. Potential sells below there, closure. Yes, I'm so smart, right? You just simplify this thing. Simplify it. Find something that's good. It works. It's got high probability. You make money doing it, and just run with it. Just run with it. Too many traders got the shiny object syndrome, right? They take a couple losses. Next thing you know, they're gone. On to the next best strategy, right? Looking for that 100% win rate, but they're never going to find it. They're never going to find it. And the one thing that they are going to find is probably themselves back in a job or back in something else outside of trading, because they're looking for something that doesn't exist. Okay? So I want you guys to understand that too. If you're thinking you're going to win all your trades and all of a sudden you're a profitable trader and you're never going to lose again, you're missing the ball, man. You're missing the ball. You're going to be very devastated when you take a loss, right? So take a loss like a champion, right? Take a loss like a champ and keep it moving. Oh, nice. Hacker White Hat. Congratulations. Beautiful. Very, very happy to hear that, man. Big W. Oh, yeah, Amanda. Sometimes it's that pain, man. It's that pain. And why do we really blow accounts? Right, Amanda, what do you think is the reason why the account blew? If you had to guess one, maybe two things, what would you say caused that? What was the lesson that you learned there? What up, Landon? Hey, Forex Frank. Hype for the day? Yeah, me too. Me too. Agreed. No risk management. Revenge trading. Good morning, OG. Good morning, good morning. Inconsistency in your trades. Revenge trading. Yeah. Yeah. One thing that Raja would say made a lot of sense was there's only two ways that people blow their account. They were either over risking or over trading. Over risking or over trading. Just over trading. Typically a really good high probability system isn't going to give you 5 to 10 trades a day. Right? It's not going to give that, right? A high probability. I truly believe the market will give you one unique setup at least every day. But I wouldn't say 10. I wouldn't say 5. I think the real high probability setups will give you about, maybe 3 max a day. So if you're taking a lot of trades, that means you're over trading a bit, right? Or you're rushing the process. Sometimes we're either focused mainly on the money, right? Or in some of our cases, we're focused on passing our challenge or getting funded, right? And we focus on the wrong thing, right? Although we want to make money, right? And although we want to pass our challenges, the idea is to get your mind off of that and just focus on the process of and the system, right? If you could be disciplined to the system. Now, the crazy thing about trading is you can't rush the process, right? So it's not like you're a sales or you're I don't know, washing cars where you can work quickly, right? You can work quickly, you can get it done. The more you work, the better you do, the more money you'll make. The more you'll accomplish, right? If you're in sales, the more calls you bang out, the more opportunities you have, right? It's not the same here in trading. It's really not. You can't rush the game, right? You can't force things out of the market that aren't there. And a lot of times when you're forcing those things, what that will lead you to do will lead you to move outside of your system, outside of what is actually the winning system, right? And if you move outside of that winning system, you're gambling. So not many people make money gambling, right? Gambling's 50-50. So there's a fine line in this game that separates professionalism from gambling. It's a very fine line. And the minute you break that plan because you're forcing a trade, because you really think and believe it's going to go up and you're only $2 away from passing your challenge, you go ahead and you force that trade, right? And that trade most of the times is not going to work. It's just not going to work. I don't know what it is. The universe just doesn't reward it, right? I don't know what it is, man. All the times when I tried doing that, it just, right, bummer, right? It just went downhill from there. So don't overtrade, don't over risk. Let your success come naturally in trading. If I can kind of give you some advice, it would be let this thing come naturally. Even if you are $2 away from passing your funded challenge, let that come naturally on the next best trade, right? Don't try and force anything out of the markets, man. I'm telling you, I've done that time and time again. And that was when I blew accounts, lost big, or, blew funded accounts and stuff. So just some experience and, some advice from me. And I'm sure a lot of the longer term professional traders would chime in here as well and tell you that, yes, you really do need to, really base this off of systems, right? Be very systematic in your approach and don't try and, don't try and rush it. Don't try and force things out of the markets that aren't there. Yep. Yes. And then exactly, Amanda, it's a lesson, right? So big lesson there. So guess what? Now, what will that little account mean to you 20 years from now, right? When you're living the dream life, living your best life, hanging out, doing what you want to do, that lesson is now with you, right? So now that lesson comes with you on your journey, and if you really get it, you'll never have to make that mistake again. Yeah, W. W. Let's see, 30-minute candle closed. Yeah, closed. We did create support, but we're still below this level here. So we're not gonna jump right off the support. Now we wait towards the hour. And if the hour candle can give us that support that we're looking for, then there's a high probability we'll continue moving up if we do close above here. So just gonna wait. Let's see. Yep. Dennis Hood, bink, bink. Bink, bink, bink. Binking, huh? Binking. Gold is going to rocket ship. To the moon. And look, sometimes you could be in the game for a while. You could have a lot of success for yourself, but at the end of the day, it's still going to be you versus you, right? At the end of the day, we're only human. So sometimes we are going to make human error. And that's thinking a lot of times will create that human error. That's why I try and limit myself to the thinking. I just try and stay very systematic in my approach in life in general, not just here on the charts, in life in general. Otherwise, you know, my thinking may hold me back, or my thinking may, you know, discourage me at times, right? But if we can just continue to focus in on a systematic and system-based life, then yeah, I think we'll get further. Yeah, thinking creates that human error, especially in trading. Lost 3.5, gained 1.2. Oh, because of ego. It's all right, Timo. Nah, same thing. You've got a lesson now. You've got that lesson. Yep. Yeah, look at this. We're trying to pop up here. Yeah, we might be able to close above here on the 30. Isn't that an hour celery on? Yeah, so this is a hour celery pattern. The one thing that keeps me out of this position though is this strong resistance on the 30-minute time frame, and also the volume that's coming in at in 24 minutes. I think will be worth the wait. But yes, that is a 1 hour celery here. Yep, there's no zone here on the 1 hour, so it is pretty clean, but there is that level of resistance that we want to break and close above here. So just gonna wait on that here. But yeah, you could take this off the 1 hour if you'd like. Yep. What you guys do in London? Did you guys jump on with John? Was he on last night? Will I ever consider streaming London? Yeah, we're streaming London tonight. Yeah, we'll be streaming London tonight, actually. Nothing in London? Gotcha. Nothing. Yeah, we'll take a look at NAS 100 here too. Let's take a look. Holy, this thing blasted off yesterday, man. Damn. Wow. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Sheesh. So yeah, monthly just broke all the highs here. Flew up yesterday. Let's see. Weekly is pushing up here as well. I think you got all your juice yesterday. And daily closed bullish. So where did we close, right? Where did we close bullish? We closed bullish above all of the nonsense here to the left. So yeah, you got a nice clean range now coming up to 16.5, like 16.600 here on the daily. So wow, clean move ahead of us here today. So let's get rid of everything real quick and let's go ahead and see how we could find buys today on NASDAQ. So let's take a look. So 4 hours been pushing down here. We do need a we obviously need a pullback on the 4 hour. So that's what we're trying to do now. And if we can create a support, then that would be awesome, right? 1 hour candles are moving down. They've got plenty of range to drive. So looks like you have a support level down here. That's a pretty solid range right there. You may get a 1 hour celery play. You got a 30-minute celery kind of starting, but this yeah, this 1 hour or 30-minute may work well. So yeah, we're gonna wait for NY open before we sample size this one as well. But if we do close 1 hour like weak bullish here, then I think there's gonna be an opportunity to take sells coming down. Yeah, it looks like a nice clean move. Nice clean move. Yeah, you would expect the 4 hour to keep driving as well because we need to find support. Yeah, we need to find support somewhere here. So yeah, I think we just wait. Breaking the lows though, breaking the lows. What about gold? Nothing. Nothing yet. Yeah, remember the 4 hour is still decently bearish, but something, I smell a support being formed here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. What up, TK? TK. Yo, yo, master of the game. How you feeling? Good to see you back here, my friend. Good to see you back. How would you approach if there was no traffic to the left, aka all-time highs? That's a good question. Yeah, anytime we were in the all-time highs, there was really nothing we could do, right? We've traded up in those all-time highs, but you have to wait for ranges to form. So I remember when gold was in those all-time highs, we were looking a little bit towards GJ, right? Because if you don't have any data to the left, I mean, what are you basing your trade off, right? You're basing the trade off of nothing, right? So yeah, you got to sit back and wait for, like, if this was the all-time high here and there was no more data to the left, I wouldn't be able to take a buy here. I just wouldn't be able to do it, right? So I would have to wait for price to come down, create a new range, create some clean traffic, and then look to trade. So yeah, it gets a little difficult when you're in those all-time highs. There's nothing you can do. Nigeria in the house. What's goody? Good to see you all. What up, Joe Stewart? What time frame do I do the analysis on? I work from the monthly down. So work from the monthly, tell a story from the monthly to the weekly, find out the details of the higher time frame, go ahead, look at the daily on how I could approach the market for that day, keeping those other higher time frames in mind. Whatever I see on the daily, I'm going to look towards the 4 hour as well, and then I'm going to scale down to the 30-minute, 1 hour, see how I can find these ranges and approach the moves on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. Yeah, how I can anticipate maybe the move up. So if I believe this candle is going to continue driving, then I think we'll see a closure here above, and then that clean traffic to the left will be how I'll take my trade. And then let's say the daily candle continues to drive down. I think if we start going down, 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 and then the 30-minute closes below 85 there, then you're going to see a move back down, right, on the daily. So you may not close above resistance there. So yeah, just come down here to these lower time frames, and this is where I do the hunting. Right, this is where the hunting goes down. Top-down analysis. That's why they call it a top-down analysis, right? Because you're telling the story from the top down, and then your ideas are coming from the top, but then your entries are coming from the bottom, right? Trying to reach the ideas on the top. Yeah, just anticipating the higher time frame move. The move. Sell in Euro USD. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. The bootcamp will be recorded, yes. So if you guys did register for the bootcamp, yes, everything will be recorded. And every single person that registered, whether you're actually able to attend every day or one day or whatever, everyone's going to get the recording of the bootcamp. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, I think tomorrow will be the last day to register for the bootcamp. And if you can't make it, please don't worry about it. We're gonna probably do one in the first quarter of 2024. So Nightbot will send the link out if you guys want to register for the 3-day bootcamp, which starts on Friday this week. And yeah, we're happy to have you in attendance and a part of it. And we look forward to really over delivering and putting out as much value as we can there. Yeah, but tomorrow's going to be the last day, because then we have to send all of you guys emails and make sure we get everything out on time and ready to go for you guys. Yeah, we got Thanksgiving coming up here in the US, so I will be traveling that day, which is Thursday, and then so I want to try and get as many emails out as possible on the 23rd, which is tomorrow. No, Wednesday. No, 22nd. I'm sorry, 22nd, which is tomorrow. Is it possible to create a bottom wick on the daily? Yes. Yep. Yeah, what a trade yesterday, gang. Holy. That was the fastest trade I was ever a part of. No lie. That was the quickest trade ever for me. Right? I think that was outside of like a major news event, that was the fastest I was able to secure like 30 pips. Like I literally watched the trade over. I sat down on my chair. We got activated, and by the time I was able to like regather my thoughts here, we were like 15 pips in profit, and then thing was just cruising. Yeah, that was a fast trade, man. Got to be ready. Got to be ready. Oh, did we yeah, I think we did all that, yeah. Did we update the record, chat? I can't remember. I'm gonna call yesterday's trade the Flash. The Flash. Yeah, this was so quick. I'm like, damn. Yeah, did you guys rewatch that at all? Yeah, I think we got activated at what What time did we get activated? It was like 8:31. Oh, this is 9. Yeah, that was nuts. Yeah, man, I literally came back to the chair and just boom, right away. Like I wasn't even able to sit down real quick. And like right here, just boom, just to drop down like 30 pips. So 14 seconds we've been in that trade. And we had 30 pips in 20 seconds there. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, that was nuts. Yeah, we got activated almost exactly at 34 there. Yeah, within 3 seconds we were up here. 10 pips. Damn. Yeah, I think this was the fastest trade I was ever a part of. News doesn't count. News is always fast. Yeah, you gotta love it when there's no news at 8:30. Like today we got news, but it's CAD news, so it will affect price a little bit, but it should just bring volume in to move with the current price action. What time do you wake? Like 4 a.m. Are we going to take a pause between London and New York? Yes, I think so. Yeah. Or maybe we'll just run the whole stream throughout it. I'm not too sure. I think we're going to pause and do 2 separate streams. Good question. I'm going to figure that out. Yeah, yo, if you would have got up and walked away to go do something, you would have missed the trade. Like, sheesh, I almost missed the trade. We're pulling an all-nighter again, TK. You showing up for London? Yeah, we're streaming both sessions today. Yep. So today's London session will be live streaming, and the New York session tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, because Friday we're kind of, so Thursday we got a bank holiday, and Friday we're taking away the stream for the boot camp. So I figured we would just throw one in for London. We were gonna do Asian, but I was like, Asian? I mean, come on, So we figured we'd do London. Do you dream at night of trading? No, I actually don't. I used to. No lie. I used to trade. I used to dream about trading almost every night, but I don't do it anymore. 2K people, only 400 likes. Oh my goodness! Come on, chat. Let's get some likes on the stream. Do it for me, man. Come on. Give me a like. Don't give me too many. Just one will do. All we want is like. All we want is a like. That's all we want. GJ, nothing going on here on GJ. Nothing. Oh, there we go. We're pumping the likes up now. Oh my goodness, 620. Went from 4 to 620. Can we go to 720? Can we get to 720? Can we get to 720? I know we can get to 750 right there. Now can we get to 720? Or 650. Can we see 720 here? 720, 720. I don't know why 720 is just in my head right now. Can we get to 720? 670. 670. We're getting close. We're getting close. I truly believe we can get to 720 right now. We can do it, gang. We can do it. Look at that. 11 more to go. Just 11 more to go. Oh, 733. All right, now I do hear 750. Yeah. I do hear 750. I do hear 750 now. 750 now should be no problem whatsoever. You got, there you go. Look at that, 751. All right, you can stop there. No more. If we get any more, then we got to get at least to 1,000. Oh, come on. All right. Just get it to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get 800 at least. 800 before NY Open. We all know what happens when we get 1,000, right? Before NY Open. That is usually pretty high confirmation. Oh, man. Hey, if we get 1,000 likes, then only 900 of you didn't sub or didn't like. Oh, 819. Couldn't be 820. 820. Let's do 820 for comics. Let's keep it right at 820. Oh, 830. All right, I guess we do have to go to 1,000 now. Yeah, 1K likes before 1,000. You got to stack W's up in life, you know? We stack this early W up with 1,000 likes. Yeah. Right now, everyone who's opening up their YouTube channel is getting a chance to see our stream here. We could do it. 866. Thank you guys, man. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. Really does mean the world to me. What is this? What is the kind wait, what is the kind of strategy you will buy or sell? Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, buy or sell. Buy or sell above or below. Yep.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Or that.
Just wait on it.
Just wait. The strategy is just to wait. There is no strategy. How do you get access to the bootcamp? Just the link will pop up in the chat right now. Yeah, there it is. Boom. Ask and you shall receive. All right, let's see what is going to happen here. What time will the London stream start tonight? What time does John usually start it? We'll talk to him. Whatever time John usually starts, that's the time we'll start. Pre-London was at 1:30 a.m. for me. I'm in cells from 94. Oh, nice. Nice. Waiting for the bootcamp confirmation. You guys are all going to get emails here in the next 2 days. Yeah, you'll have your invitation links and you'll have the schedule and yeah. Y'all be Gucci. Yeah. 2 a.m. Is that what time he starts? Yeah, so whatever time John starts, we'll get going. John has his own London live. Yeah, John started live streaming the London session. Right now he's only doing it on Zoom. But once the new year comes, after he's got a big travel trip ahead, so I believe once he gets back from traveling, that's when he'll set everything up on YouTube. Is it too late to sign up for the bootcamp? No, you can sign up. Tomorrow's gonna be the last day to register. Yeah, just so we can get all the emails. I want to make sure everyone's prepared. So just so we can get all the emails out, we know who's coming. Tomorrow will be the last day to register. Will it be on this channel? It'll be in a private Zoom. Oh, no. John will have a private Zoom link that he will send out in the London session channel. So if you guys... Oh, past phase 1? Oh, nice. Gorilla Lewis. Oh, nice, dude. Congratulations. Past phase 1 here at 6:22 a.m. Beautiful. Yeah, if you come to the London session channel here, so this is our free Discord. If you come to this channel, you'll be able to just pop into the London stream, and I'm sure it was somewhere up here, somewhere around whatever, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So yeah. Yeah, if you're not in our Discord, you guys can join our free Discord as well. One sec here. Yeah, just hit a exclamation point Discord in the chat, and it'll pop up there for you. Yeah, there's the Discord. Yep, there's a Discord link. What up, AB Mike? Good to see you, brother. How's everything going? How we looking? Yeah, so we need a top wick on this candle here. If we can push up a little bit, we've broken the highs here in the last 3 minutes of the candle. So if we can pump up a little bit more now and leave ourselves a top wick, then I think this is going to be a good opportunity here for us. Yeah. Stops are about 29 pips there. We may be able to use the previous 30 stops. Yeah, which are like 25. So we'll see if we get this breakout here. And might have opportunities to take buys here. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we don't want to see this candle close with no top wick. We want to see a wick on there and then a bottom wick on the next one, and that's our cue. Buy stops for USD CAD? I have no idea. I have no clue what's going on with USD CAD right now. Yes, correct. Awesome. All right, so we got 22 seconds here. So we'll see if we can get a closure above, and looks like you were creating a support here as well on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, everything looks pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna need a bottom wick here. So we're gonna need a bottom wick on this candle, and then we will have buy stops. Sure. Yeah, there is a 15-minute resistance right here as well. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, but we have created support on the 1 hour, right? So we need a bottom wick though before taking any entry here. So if we can come down, create a decent bottom wick here, then this may be a nice opportunity for us. Yeah. What time frame am I on? All my time frames are right up here. So anytime you guys are wondering what time frame I'm on, you could just look right up here. Yeah, whichever one's highlighted, that's the one I'll be on. So this is the 1 hour time frame. She's gonna drive. Oh, she's driving on us. Let's see what GJ did. GJ is moving down here as well, so yeah, we're pretty bearish, right? Yeah. Yeah, GJ has been moving down quite a bit though, struggling a little bit here on the 30. So you may this may be some trouble here. You may get a support to form. You notice how the candles are just very, very weak. So yeah, we'll hold off there. 4 hours still very bullish. Let's see, what are we doing? Pumping. Yeah. NASDAQ dumping. Oh. What? Oh, nice. Yeah, look, we did make the move on the 30 celery there, pre-New York. Yeah, 1 hour drove down here. Yeah, he still got range here on the 1 hour time frame to continue down. Got about another 29 pips there. 29. So gold, we got our setup, right? We got what we were looking for in our setup, but we haven't gotten our entry yet. So, you know, the setup and the entry go hand in hand, right, in your playbook. So you can have one without the other. The best trades are going to be the ones that they both come together very nicely. You have a setup and an entry. Why wait for the bottom wick? Because anytime a candle, so 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks, right? So anytime you see a candle run with no bottom wick, that means that this is a 50-50 move right here, right? And I'm not into taking 50-50 moves. Also, this candle could, at any point, it may drive all the way up, but at any point it could pull back, right? No matter where. So, and make that bottom wick. So therefore, anytime you have a candle that opens up with no bottom wick, a bullish one, I just stay out. I just stay out. Stay away. Yeah. Yeah, you're tapping into that resistance now, or this previous support level too. So you may get a rejection here. Yep, definitely not my trade here. Nice, everything worked out. Nice timing, a nice closure, all that, but entry type just wasn't there. Maybe if we had 1,000 likes, we would have had a bottom wick, though. Yeah. Yeah, maybe if we had 1,000 likes, this would have worked well. Thanks a lot for all you do. You're welcome, sir. Trust the process. That's right. Are we waiting for a bottom wick or is it gone? It's here. It's still here. I think if we can come down, make a bottom wick, and then get the 15-minute candle maybe to close above, that may be a little bit better at this point. I think that would be awesome. And then we could take advantage of 8:15, 8:30, or comics open 8:30, and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll sit tight here on the 15-minute and see if we can get a nice closure. I would really love to see this bottom wick though, so I need price to come down would be awesome. Give a bottom wick and then fire away. Or a 15-minute pack runner. Yeah, I like that idea. Yeah, or a 15 pack. Yeah, the pack runner is what the pack runner is a lot of times around 8 NY open, 8:15, you'll get a 15 closure like this. And then if this candle comes down and breaks the lows there, gives this candle a bottom wick, typically at that point it's going to be ready to launch. So, yeah, we always like to wait for these bottom wicks. No bottom wick, no entry. Yeah, got our setup, got it all, everything lined up, but one major piece is missing here. I appreciate your way of trading. Oh, yes. Very simple, right? It's either there or it's not, gang. Right? You want to step into the realms of the professionals. The professionals look at the chart and they go, it's obviously there or it's not. There is no guesswork, right? There's no guesswork when it comes to the pros. It's either clearly their position or it's clearly not. You know, I heard one guy, he said it. He's been trading for over 30 years. And that's what he said. He said it's either, oh, he used some vulgar language, but he said it's either F yes or F no. It's that obvious, right? We know that there's a high probability price will move up, but if we go against our plan and take a trade here, not good. Not good for the long haul. Do I have a Telegram channel? No. Good rule, no bottom wick, no entry. Yeah, same thing goes for a bearish candle, right? Same exact thing goes. If you have a bearish candle here and you got everything right, we've been waiting for this move since 645 here, right? And you get this closure and price just starts bleeding without that top wick, then you just gotta, you know, I just let it go. All right, I'm just gonna let it go. Not my move. Right, my move requires somewhat of a top wick because 80 to 85% of candles have that. Right, so like we were explaining earlier, if you don't have a bottom wick, let's say your entry's right here, man, this candle could pull back at any point. Could pull back here, can pull back here, pull back here. Now sometimes you'll get lucky, or you'll think you got lucky because price drove on you. But I'm telling you, you break your rule once, you'll break it again, and if you break it too many times, it's not pretty. Not pretty. Watching you teaches me patience. Awesome. Yeah. Great, great, great. Yeah, it's going to take patience, man. It's going to take patience to last in this game long term. Yeah, if the candle has no top wick too, that's a good point. Then there's also no trade for me, right? Because if a candle doesn't have a top wick, and remember, 85% of candles have wicks. So if this candle closes with a nice top wick, well, this top wick here represents a range for the next candle to be able to drive in, right? That's where you come up with the term wick fill. You guys ever heard the term wick fill? That's because that wick leaves you a trail, and that trail is a range to fill. So when you get a bottom wick, typically the next candle will go ahead and fill that range. But if you close with no top wick, then there is no range for the next candle to follow suit in. So if you're taking a buy now, it becomes a 50-50. And as you guys know, we don't take 50-50s. If I want to take 50-50s, I'll go to this casino, right? And I'll just gamble there. So again, very fine line in trading between professionalism and gambling. So you got to make sure you're always following your plan and try your best to never break it. Never break it. Don't chase volume, chase your system. Yep. Oh yeah, Hakim, I got your message. Yeah, I left it on unread because I want to make sure to go back to it for when it's time to send the emails out. Otherwise, I might, miss you. So, yeah, you'll get the email, my friend. NASDAQ bleeding. Let's take a look. Yeah, you see GJ? Bearish momentum slowing down here, right? Very, very slow. Not a lot of bearish strength. So I do expect to see a support here. Yeah. And yeah, these have been pretty good sells since whatever this is right here. 1600. Yeah, so NASDAQ is a pair that we're going to be trading here in the new year. So it's been fun sample size in this pair. I think John starts London about, yeah, we're going to ask John. Whatever time John usually starts London, we'll start London at that time today. We'll let John host it. Maybe we'll call him up and have him sit in the hot seat over here. Yeah. Oh, here is John, actually. John is in the house. What's up with it, Johnny boy? Mr. John? Mr. London?
Yo, good morning.
Howdy.
What up, brother?
How we
How we
feeling?
doing?
Great, man. You?
Feeling amazing, man. Blessed and highly favored.
Oh, amen.
Amen.
Feeling good.
Sir.
Feeling good watching gold just juice up as I don't get no FOMO or
Yo.
greed or nothing like that. I just stay disciplined in my plan. Oh, man, such a great feeling. Buy
That's what I'm
gold.
saying.
Buy gold.
Yeah, for real. I can care less, right? Really wanted those buys, but hey, I care more about being disciplined to my plan than making money today. So
100%.
yeah.
100%. Yeah, and that should go for every day, gang. Like, you should be focused not on making money, not on winning trades, right? But sample sizing and being disciplined to your system and your system only. Right? Don't do something because Jump Hooper 979 on YouTube said to do it, right? Just follow your system, gang. Follow your plan every day. That is the goal of a trader, right? Through that, you will make money. As long as your plan is profitable and you have a successful system, you will make money. But if you come just focusing on money, then that's when that's going to lead to you chasing volume, chasing trades that aren't really yours, trades that you're not even supposed to be in, and you don't want to get yourself into trouble like that.
100%. Making money, right? Making money is the byproduct of us following our plan.
Yeah.
So remember, the failure trader is focused on making money, when the professional trader is focused on the process of trading his edge. Yo.
Yep.
Gotta remember that.
Bingo. How was London?
London was good. No, there was no trades. No
Nothing,
trades
huh?
for London. Nah.
We're in London tonight. We're in the house for London
Hey,
session
let's
tonight.
go. They're in hype.
Who's pulling up to the London stream tonight?
Yeah, facts. Who's pulling up? I told everyone in Zoom that London was gonna be on YouTube.
It's funny when people say it's not about making money. That's literally what it's about. Yes, but how are you going to make money if you can't be disciplined to a system? So if it is all about money and the money is gathered through disciplinary in your system, then what comes first? Right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's about money, but you have to understand the money comes as a byproduct to being disciplined to the system.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you make money? Right? You got to be disciplined to that system, and then that money will come. So yes, it is all about making money. But what's more important is actually making it, right? Than hoping to make it or looking to make it. It's actually making it. So that's why following a system, following a plan is going to be your best bet if you're looking to make money, right?
Yeah, for real. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Literally exactly that. When I come to the charts, I don't focus on making money. I just focus on following my plan, right? Taking quality trades. And by doing that, that's when money's going to come naturally to me.
Yeah. No, I truly don't focus on making money here.
Same here. I can care less about that, actually.
Of course, I'm showing up to, be successful, but that when I get to the desk, that's not my focus.
Definitely not. To start chasing trades.
Yeah, be chasing.
All right. Right there was the opportunity to work out your discipline muscle, right? When we had a playbook set up, right, but no entry, that was your opportunity to not feed into FOMO and to be disciplined to wait for your entry.
Yeah. Yep. What strategy do I use? ICT? I use the
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
The zero strategy, the nothing.
Nothing. Yo, chat, good morning though. Sorry. Did not say good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing.
Yeah, now we off to waiting on the 30 here. Waiting on the 30.
Oh, gold just wants to do what it wants to do. Wants to drive up.
Did you take a trade yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Are you thirsty for some pips? Yes. Yes. I'm dehydrated.
Hungry for pips.
Bring out the whole strategy. I like the cap guy. Bink, bink. Bink's in the chat. Binks.
Think.
Yeah, that's true. It's a marathon. Yeah, no bottom wick here on both these 15-minute candles. Interesting. We have CAD news coming out here as well in 12 minutes. That may switch things up a little bit here. Starving. When we gonna take a trade? Whenever I see the when we gonna take a trade thing, I always think of this.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
That brother starving. Where's the lucky sock? You guys are funny.
Where is it, bro?
You already know
need
we got that lucky sock. I told y'all it's gonna be sitting here with me. Nah, it's actually just sitting there because I never brought it back out. That's too funny.
Keep that sock with you, brother. All times.
That's funny. The sock ain't leaving. It ain't leaving. Is wearing a cap a hobby in the US? I see a majority of streamers, YouTube guys wearing. Oh no, is it? I didn't think so. Yeah, some days I got a cap on, some days I don't. Yeah. All right, well, there's your drive up to 92 there. So that's exactly what we expected. All we needed was a bottom wick, but no deliver on that. So, yeah. But clean move up. Very, very clean move. Well expected. You got 820 coming in here now, too. So there should be some more volume dumping in. And, yeah.
That's all good. Next time we get that opportunity and a bottom wick, we be in that. And plays out.
Yeah. Yeah, here comes 820 now. So you should see some volume. We may move down, we may move up. We're coming into this resistance level here. Doesn't necessarily mean that we will reject, but we are coming into this area here now. So we'll see what happens in this zone if 820 wants to, you know, push us through, or are we gonna move down now for 820? So we 10 seconds for a little push here.
See.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go, 820. So we'll see if the volume moves us up. So far it is. 5-minute close bullish here too. So we're approaching this pretty high level. So we'll see if 820 can burst us through here and get a closure. Yeah, let's take a look to the left, see what else we got going on here. So there is another range now above 95 here. So above 95, there's more clean traffic. We'll see if we can get up there. Yeah, we'll see what happens here now.
4-hour highs have just been smoked as well.
4-hour highs are smoked. Oh, this is good because we may create a support, right? So we create a support here on the 4-hour. What do you guys see? You guys see a uptrend here, right? Uptrend, uptrend. So if we can create a support, then the next 4 hours should drive, right? It should drive. So we'll see. Oh, nice. From the desert. Let's go. It's hot out there, huh, Derek? Oh, yeah. It's hot. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
My man is starving. Yeah. Someone asked if I took sells earlier in London, and no, I didn't. I took no trades in London sesh today. Yeah, no trades today. Been hearing a lot of traders say that it's not good to trade on Thanksgiving week. Is that just their own opinion? Yeah, there's no right or wrong in FX, man. You know. Yeah, yo. So 4 hours breaking those highs now.
Yeah, we trade on
Let's see.
Thanksgiving.
Popping.
We trade on Thanksgiving. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens here with this 4-hour candle. Oh. Yeah, 30-minute candle is going to close here in 6 minutes as well. So we'll see how that goes down. And we've already moved pretty significant off that support there. So, yeah. If 30-minute makes a wick, let's go.
Producer here.
You got a pretty decent move up to like 2000 and then like 2005-ish here. So it's a nice clean range here. If price does trade above that, if we get a 4-hour closure above the range, then I think the next 4 hours should probably juice up to like 2004, 2005-ish, somewhere up here. Yeah. Four-hour close coming soon? Yes. Yep. So we're gonna see the news come out here on the CAD. Very curious to see if we close with a no bottom, no top wick or something here. Then you may see a move back down here. And then all we do, right, is we'll wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Let's say we close back down here. The only way we do that is by pulling back on this next 30-minute candle. So if we can close below, down here somewhere, but still above the resistance, then on the 1 hour or on the 30-minute, that's just going to look something like this, right? So what we do is we just patiently wait again for this 30-minute, or let's call these the 15-minute candles. Right, and then we just wait. We wait for now the new 4-hour candle's got to open up. So let's say we get another 30-minute or 15-minute candle moving down to create that 4-hour candle's bottom wick, and then you get a support here at 9:15. Right, then there's going to be a high probability for the next leg up at 9:30 when volume comes into play. So you know, if you didn't take this due to no bottom wick, this is the next thing you look for. Right, this is the next opportunity here. So if you're going to take buys, you don't really want to take them all the way up here because your nearest support is way down here. So what you want to see is you want to see the 4-hour pullback here, which is going to be a 2 15-minute candle closures, right? Which is these two, closes above the range. The next candle gives us a bottom wick, which is right here, the candle 1 and candle 2. This becomes your 4-hour bottom wick. That also becomes your stop loss. And you get yourself a support, and we take our buys on the break of the highs there. At 9:30 for volume coming in, and that's when you should probably make your way up to 2004, 2005-ish here. Yeah. Don't worry, friends. Patience always gets rewarded.
Oh, yeah. Exactly what I want to see.
Yeah. That's the monthly high. 2004, right? Yeah, 2004 or 5. Yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, you're right. Makes sense. Weekly's juicing too. Just rebroke the high again there, so yeah. Daily's obviously juicing as well. So We got a wick to fill, and that's our target there, up there at 2005. Yep. Hey, what up, Dino? Are you done for the day? What? Haven't even gotten started yet.
Session just started, bro.
Session just started 27 minutes ago.
Literally.
Do you order flow? Oh, I order the flow. Oh, yeah.
Of course.
Flow state, baby. What's the drone thing you're using? That's zoom annotation. I have a problem identifying trend in your previous lives. You teach finding trend based off of previous daily closures, but today your top down is a little different. How is it different? So we were bearish, but then the highs broke, right? Or we were bearish, but then the highs broke, and we broke all these highs. So at some point you have to say, okay, you know, maybe I'm not bearish anymore. So once those highs start breaking and price starts showing you these signs here, right, of these uptrends on the lower time frame, then therefore that's when you have to learn how to pivot a little bit and switch your bias and maybe start to consider, you know what, maybe we're not going to go down today, right? Maybe we're going to go up. And if we are going to go up, then how are we going to find positions to move up on the lower time frame? So that's all we did today. Yeah, that's all we do. That's all we're doing here today. Yeah,
you got to remember, like, reading candles is legit like speaking a language with a person, right? The highs, if you have a previous bearish daily candle, right, and then the current daily candles now breaking the previous high of that candle, that's an indication, or the candle's talking back to us like we were in a conversation of price wanting to go up, right? So just keep that in mind. Reading candles is just like speaking a language, right?
Yep. Very true. Very true.
But you don't want to ignore what they're saying either. So.
Let's take a look at GJ here too. Yeah, GJ creating a support now. So I guess you can move this a little bit, right? So now you have support formed, well, in 14 seconds. And you have a resistance, but if we're very bearish today, I'm probably going to look to take my buys above 85, 280, not above 85, 180, whatever that is. Just going to wait here, right? Wait for a nice little pullback, see what we can get. But we look, after driving down here on the daily and breaking those lows, we started moving up pretty aggressively here. So we're just waiting on pound yen, right? I'm still bearish on the day here, so we're forming this range on the 1 hour. So we'll see if we can break out of it at some point. Yeah, this right here is going to be a no trade range here for me on GJ. Right here. Yeah, anything above it is clean, and anything below it is pretty clean. Got nice clean candles. Sells I would prefer, being that we are in a bearish day here. So, but we all know pound yen is just rallying. Oh, yeah, here comes the news. Hey, anyone who's in buys here from the support is cruising now.
Damn.
Yeah.
Just filled that whole range.
Yep. So here come the news. And we'll see. This is the CPI here on the CAD. Man, you guys get so excited when gold moves. Gold, 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 gold. News pump, man. News pump.
The moon.
Where's Sam Cap? Oh, Sammy boy. Sammy's on the way, I'm sure. Just past phase 2. Congratulations, Isaiah Cole. Good stuff, man. Big W.
Congrats, bro.
Big W. To infinity and beyond. Just hanging out. Just watching. Yeah, gang. If we had a bottom wick, man, I'm telling you, we'd be in this.
Yeah.
We'd be in this today.
Coulda, woulda.
Yeah, somebody was in cells earlier. I hope you guys close those cells out. All right, can we see 2004, 2005 here? 4-hour closure coming up in 27 minutes. We're tapping into this resistance now, so yeah, clean move up here on gold.
Freaking gold didn't want to give us no bottom wick.
Yep. Yeah, so by the way, gang, this is a opportunity. So this is typically your time for an impulse entry. So where the impulse entry would have worked here was right above this high. So let's say you don't want to. So an impulse entry, what I consider an impulse entry is when something doesn't necessarily line up with the plan, right? So whether it be maybe a closure below or no bottom wick, but there's a lot of volume. That is typically when impulse entries work best at the open of these sessions, right? So as you break that high, that's your opportunity to take a impulse entry there. So just so we can identify and point that out, because we are sample sizing these impulse entries here for next year as well. So yeah, it looks pretty clean impulse here. Oh, look at this. This is a W here. I've been watching since July. I remember being nervous as I watched the candles drive. I know I had a poor mindset, but I'm glad those months of learning weren't wasted. Yeah. Yeah, I used to get so much FOMO on this. Like, oh my God, I suck as a trader. I missed a move. But if it doesn't line up with your plan, there's really nothing you can do, you know.
You're just wasting energy at that point, getting upset about it.
Yeah. I took an impulse. Very nice. Very nice. Most times when we miss a trade, it's due to no bottom wick, but sometimes it goes in our favor. Yeah, so, yep, shed some light on it. Yes, it is 50-50, but what we just talked about the impulse entry, that's really the only other way around it, right? It's the only other way around it. Otherwise, you just got to watch the position go. Yeah, you can't miss a trade. They're unlimited. They're like buses, man. There's always another one coming. Imagine how many trades we missed since 1934 on gold. Holy. Damn. We do some missing.
A little bit.
We do a little bit of missing trades. Yeah, that's so true, TK. So true. And you know what? You know what it really took? The way I learned that was I would take stupid losses breaking my plan. So, of course, you know, this typically works when you break your plan the first time, right? But then it stops working for some reason. I don't know what it is. But what I would do is I would take these unnecessary trades and end up taking these stupid losses. And let's say I took a loss, right, one day, and I was like, I got to get that back. And I go ahead, force like another 2 trades. So instead of me being down 1%, now I'm down 3%, right? And then I would come to the desk the next day, and price would give us a nice closure above, right? And we would get a nice bottom wick, and everything would look so amazing. And I would take a beautiful win, right? Boom, close my partials. And then I would think to myself, damn, if I didn't take those 3 stupid trades yesterday, this trade here actually could have meant something. But instead, I had to battle back from taking dumb losses off breaking my plan, when if I would have just sat on my hands and stayed disciplined yesterday, then I could have waited for this perfect setup to show up and took a beautiful win. So that's how I learned how to be disciplined in that area, was understanding how dumb I felt, right? Just feeling dumb, you know, like, damn, man, like if I didn't take those 3 trades, I could have been sitting real pretty right now. So yeah, there's always another trade coming, man. If things don't line up to how you want them to be, don't worry about it, right? Let that go, build the discipline muscle. You'll get another trade later, the next day, the day after that, right? Yeah, don't worry about it too
100%.
much.
100%. I also rather take a healthy loss over a bad win any day of the week, right?
Ditto. Yep.
Because I'm a long-term thinker here too. So the more I'm gonna break my plan, the more likely I'm gonna do that again.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm just creating a bad habit, right?
Yep.
So quality over quantity all day, every day. And then like Nick's talking about, by not taking those trades that are against our plan, we're gonna be profitable off those trades that we don't take.
Yeah.
Right. So just focus on those quality positions.
Yep. Yep. And here's another thing too. And tell me if you guys have been through this, right? You break your plan, right? You're like, oh, I know there's no bottom wick, but screw it, I'm gonna enter. So you enter, right? And it's moving along really good, and you're a couple pips in profit, and you close it right away because you know you're breaking your plan. So any money that you do get, you don't want to see go, right? Because hey, if I'm gonna break my plan and I'm up, 4 pips, 5 pips, I don't want this thing to reverse on me. So I'm just gonna take those pips. So you're very anxious in that position, right? You're very antsy. You can't really reap the reward out of that move because you know you're breaking your plan. The minute you see profits, you're out of there. And guess what? You went half risk, right? You went half risk, but you closed it and you seen this whole thing juice and you go, damn, I could have held that. Crap. Oh my God, I could have passed my challenge. I could have withdrew some money for Thanksgiving. Damn, you know what? Next time I see this, I'm going triple risk, right? And next time you see this, you come along and you go triple risk. And you know what? You're like, I'm not closing this at 4 pips this time. I'm holding this thing. I'm holding out. I'm getting the full reward out of this, right? So now you go up for 5 pips, not enough to close it, right? Because now you're all in, right? And then here we go, right? So boom, there comes the drive, and you're risking triple the amount you normally would, and you just screwed your entire account, your entire discipline, and everything that has to do with being a professional trader, and you feel like crap, right? So I used to do that. I used to feel horrible about it, and I don't do that stuff anymore, right? I've learned the lessons, and I like to feel good, and the way I feel good is by taking the best highest probability setups that present themselves, and if there isn't that, I just don't take a trade. I just do not take a trade. So I'm trying to teach you guys this, so maybe you don't have to make that mistake on your own. Some of you guys could relate. I know some of y'all can relate for sure.
That's so facts.
I'm stopping myself from doing that right now. Yeah, and you got to understand that moment, right? We talk about that moment pretty often. You have to consciously grab grip yourself and be like, hey, I'm in that moment. I'm about to screw this whole thing up. Let me just chill, right? Let me just wait. Let me wait for a 30-minute candle to close, and that will get you to escape that moment, because we all know that moment as a trader where you're just all of a sudden you're here, and then next thing you know, you're gone, right? And all of a sudden you've taken 5 trades and they were all against your plan, and you snap out of it and go, what the heck just happened? Where did I go for the last 30 minutes, and why did I take 6 trades?
Bro, for real, Nick. That's why I feel like it's so important that each day we come to the charts, we have to remind ourselves what our plan is, right? Because it doesn't matter how profitable we are or not, right? We can still get tempted to go against our plan, right? So we have to remind ourselves every day, daily, that what our plan is and what we have to do to be the best trader today. And then, yeah, man, because all it takes is one day, right? All it takes is one day to blow an account or to lose a week's or even 2 weeks worth of profits. All it takes is that one day to go against your plan. Right. So it's very important you remind yourself every day what you got to do here, what your job is to be the best trader. So you don't feed into that.
Me too. That's key. Yeah. Sometimes I think you missed this trade only in your stream for your audience. You want to play it safe as you can, but in real account, you took it? No. No. I would never take a trade with no bottom wick. Ever. Yeah.
You nuts?
Huh? How could you say you'd rather take a loss than a win? He said a good loss versus a bad win, and give it some time. You'll learn. You'll learn.
Yeah, good loss over bad win.
Yeah. All right, now look at this rejection here. So will we pull back on the 4 hour and get what we're looking for? Right? In trading, not only are you a trader, you're a master negotiator. So you negotiate the deal with the market, right? The deal here today was we need a closure above a support and a bottom wick. And we never got that deal. Any of you guys ever been schmoozed over? You ever been hustled by a salesman? Not a good feeling, right? Guy got you, right? So if I enter a trade without everything lining up according to the deal I want, then I've been sold. I've been got. Right? And that trade can easily turn around and wipe me out. So therefore, I'd never take a trade with no bottom wick, or never take a buy when the candle has no bottom wick there. Sam got locked up. He might have got locked up for beating up a bear or something last night. Who knows? They get crazy out there in Pennsylvania.
Sam the man.
Oh, there he is. Oh, wait. He broke free.
Kangaroo might have had a hold of his dog. He had a, fight the kangaroo off or something.
Yeah. Yeah. So look, we got no bottom wicks on these 15-minute candles. So here's another thing. So let's say the candle doesn't come back to make a bottom wick. A lot of times what you'll see is the next couple candles come down to create that bottom wick. Yeah. Dude fought the kangaroo.
Sam, I'm manifesting that doesn't happen, bro. Your dog is protected.
Yeah, but I hope all that makes sense to you guys. Very, very important stuff here. Very, very important.
Heck yeah.
If you hear what we're saying, you will speed your process up. Trust me, and you will save yourself a lot of pain and misery.
Yeah, because knowledge is only potential power, right? It becomes power when it is used for a constructive, reason. So
yeah, applied knowledge is power.
Applied knowledge. Yeah. Put it into the use, and when that use is constructive, that's when knowledge is power.
Yeah. Oh, we got guitar playing here. PM Magnifico. Yeah. Let him rock, gang. Let him rock.
Cook.
Now's your time to take a bathroom break. Go to the John. Get some water, some coffee. This is last 15 here of the 4 hour candle. So we may get a pullback. And look, we may get exactly what we want to see. Right? You guys remember we planned something out here just a few minutes ago. So let's see if that unfolds, but we got to give it some time here. It needs some time. Go to the John.
Go to the John.
Go to the John. Let's take a look at NAS 100 here. Oh, nice. Yeah, so these sells would have worked out here today for us. I think we were taking them. Yeah, it wasn't these sells. So if you could have took these 30-minute sells, or I don't think we would have took sells there. No top wick, but maybe here. Yeah, so nice move down below this range here on NAS 100. So we're sample sizing NAS 100 for the remainder of the year. We've got a good read on it at this point, and we look forward to really trading more of that pair here in 2024. It's going to be good. Yeah.
Coming near, bro. Coming near the new year.
Gang, what a year it's been. What a year it's been, man. 108 wins, 31 losses, 10 break-evens. I'm so proud of you guys. A lot of you guys have been with us for the entire year, and you guys had your ups, you've had your downs, and you've lasted. You've lasted a full year in the markets consistently, so congratulations to you guys. Congratulations on getting experience for a yearly cycle here as well. So now you have a lot of information to go into 2024 with, so that way you can make 2024 your best year yet. Best year ever. But big W, we doubled a 100K account this year. Grew at 100%, over 100%. So big W there. We got off to an amazing start, and we just kept that momentum going all year long, right? Just sticking with what we know works best, not getting too quaky on the losses, right? The losses are going to be there, right? But if you follow your system and follow what works, they won't be there too often, right? They won't be there too often. So this year we really, really nailed down the win rate, which wasn't a surprise because last year was just as good. And towards the tail end of the year, what we've been doing is really tailoring our risk management. So that way, not only will we have a high win rate, but we'll also have a really, really good RR working for us. So collectively as a group, this is what we are working on, right? As we move into the next year, is we've got the win rate down, we've got the playbook down, we know how to take good positions, we know we've got the New York session dialed in at this point on gold, and now it's just about how can we make our losses smaller, right? And if we can do that now and continue to work on that throughout the remainder of the year and into next year, I'm telling you, it's a wrap, gang. It's a wrap. We're very, very profitable with our system now. So imagine now if we can cut our losses, right? Even more. I'm telling you, those profits will add up. But yeah, we got off to a really good start and just kept that momentum going, man. Just kept it going all year long. Tracked every single trade we've taken. Every trade has been documented here on the live streams as well. You guys can go back and watch all of them. But yeah, I think our worst month this year was, I think it was August or July. These were our two worst months this year. Everything else was straight up money. I think July was a break-even month, and I think August, I think did we have one negative month? I don't know. I don't even think we had a negative. Yeah, I think August was the worst month here. But we built off some momentum here coming into September. October was lovely as well, and November's been off to a great start here too. So one more month and we close this year out strong, gang. Yeah, we locked in.
Great year. So grateful for this year. All the knowledge I've learned, the experience I got. I am so confident going into the new year.
Ditto. Same here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look, hopefully the live stream was really good for you, because maybe up until this point you only seen people succeeding and you think, man, I wish I could do that. But my goal here is that you guys have seen everything, right? The good, the bad, and the ugly. We've been as transparent as possible, and I think it gives you guys a much better expectation of what this industry and what this game is really about. It's not a consistent high, right? The highs are great. But there are going to be some lows here and there throughout the year, just like any business, just like anything you do in life, not everything is going to be on this steady incline. So, being able to deal with the difficulties of trading and, what comes with this game is all a big W for you guys this year. You have a full 12 months of really, really getting to understand the market. So you're well prepared as you move into 2024 now. This year changed my life. Yeah, this is a great year. Really, really good year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you buy your meat? At the Amish farm. Gotta get it from the Amish, man.
Thanks, bro.
Need more motorcycle parts. All right, we got 8 minutes left for the 4-hour close here. 8 minutes. Let's take a look at that 4-hour, by the way. So yeah, I think as long as you get a closure, right? So if you get a closure above these levels here, then there's a high chance we're gonna move up, right? And that's gonna be 2000. That is gonna be the weekly high right there. So we'll see if we could pull back a little bit and give us some market structure on the 15-minute time frame, and then we'll see if we can move about our buys again here. Because if you have a 4-hour wick fill, right, what that 4-hour wick fill, so let's say the 4-hour candle closes like this. Let me grab this. Right, you got a 4-hour wick fill here. So what does that look like? Well, what are we anticipating? A bottom wick, right? And price to move up and fill that wick. So what does that look like on the 15-minute time frame? Well, you have a move up, right? Move up. Nice bullish move here. Oh, hold on. Let me grab it again. Bullish move up. Oh, God. Oh, God. There we go. 15-minute time frame. And then you have a move back down. So you have a rejection. Something like this will leave you the wick, and then the last 15 pulling back here. So now your 4-hour candle is closed. So this bullish move up represents this move right here, and now this wick these two 15-minute bearish candles represent the pullback on this wick. Now we still need a bottom wick on the next candle. So what does that look like? That looks like another 15-minute candle moving down. Right, maybe a weak one. Typically it's going to be a weak one, and then you have yourself a support. Usually you'll get a nice exhaustion wick, which will activate a lot of sellers right into the market. It looks something like this, and that's going to be your 4-hour bottom wick. And now if this bottom wick has been formed, well, what are we anticipating now? We're anticipating that this candle will now, after creating this bottom wick, will flip bullish, drive up and fill the wick. Where is this wick? Right here. So what will we expect then on this next candle, right? At 9:30. So if you got, 8:30, 8:45, 9:15, the next 15-minute candle is going to be 9:30. What could we expect on a bullish day with a 4-hour bullish closure expecting a wick fill? You're going to expect the move up, right? To go ahead and fill that wick. So anytime you're looking at a higher time frame wick fill, which is what we see here on the 4-hour, what you're going to notice is you're going to need to find or notice that there's going to be a 15-minute market structure. So you're going to see a resistance, a support, and once that support is formed during high times of volume, that's when you take your entries, right, on the break of these highs. And your position looks something like this, right? Buys up here, buys from up here. And what does that look like on the 4-hour? It just simply looks like this. That's what it looks like. Right? That's it. That's what you're anticipating when you're looking at a higher time frame wick fill. So what does that mean? That means you have 4-hour chart, right? And then this is what the 15 will look like. 15. Boom. 4-hour, 15-minute. Wick fill, support formed, a move up to retest that high. Simple. Gold does this all the time, all day long, all day. Creates support, creates resistance, retest support, creates support, retest resistance. It's all day long. That's it.
Literally how we make profits.
Yeah, and it's we're going to talk about this on the bootcamp too, but it's very important to understand what the higher time frame looks like and how that reflects on the lower time frame, so you know what you're looking at.
Makes a lot of sense.
Hey, Sam Capital, how you doing, sir?
And the man. Damn, excuse me. See him in Zoom.
Great job staying out and following the rules. Thank you, Robert and Rudy. Appreciate that.
Yeah, give yourself a pat on the back if you stay disciplined to your plan today.
I love how you have monthly. Oh yeah, you know what? We don't even need the monthly record in the box. I just realized that. We got 2 monthly records. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Nice. MFF coming back. Yeah, we got 2 minutes here. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, who would get a challenge from MFF? From MFF, who would get a challenge from them if they're back? I wouldn't. Usually I would have taken that impulse entry, but I had myself retained from doing it. Hey, work out that discipline muscle. Beautiful. You want your money back from the challenge? Amen. I don't know if you're gonna get that back. If they're back, they should be safe unless they, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Y'all, but if you guys haven't liked this stream, give the stream a like. Really appreciate it.
Give the stream a like. All right.
Oh, yeah.
4-hour close coming up here. What's up, guys? Thanks again for another day of helping the new guys. Hey, you're welcome, Moonwalker. You're welcome. What up, Adam Bella? Adam Bella's in the house.
That's a dope name.
It's not even Bella. It's Balla. It's Adam Balla. My Forgotten Funds. Yeah. Yeah, anybody who would go back with them guys is, I don't know. Can you really trust them?
Do what you gotta do, you know?
Yeah. Oh, damn. Yeah, that stinks. Yeah. All right. So we did get a 4-hour closure here. So 4-hour did close. We were looking for a closure above this level here, which we did. Now we closed a little bit higher than I would have liked. So I do want to see somewhat of a bottom wick, and I think we need to wait for some sort of a bottom wick back into like 95, 400 here before you know, we can set buy stops. So just gotta wait for a bottom wick. Maybe we'll get one, maybe we won't, but that's what I'll be waiting for here. Oh wow, it's a pretty big range too. 30 pips. Magic keys ready. Not a whole lot of bottom wicks here today. Yeah, man. There isn't. Damn. 53 pips here? Sheesh. What happened here, man? They brought out the whole volume today here on gold. This is interesting. Let's look left here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. There's a strong resistance right here. I want to see something. Yeah, interesting here.
On the 32 at 95 you're looking at?
98.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 15 closed. There's a resistance right here on the 15. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. We definitely need a bottom wick and all that good stuff on this candle. We may wait for 9:15 here. Bring out the whole ocean. Yo, we haven't played that one in quite some time.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Oh, man.
You just need to wait on it. That's it.
Just wait on it. Oi, DT Gamer in the house. FX Silverino. What up, Silverino? What platform do I use? The funded trader. How do you deal with growing apart from friends? It's life, you know. You're gonna have some friends that I don't know how old you are. How old are you, Dominic? Let me ask that question first.
Yeah, right.
How old are you? Oi! What up, Christian? Gold quaking us today? Yeah, gold quake. 21. Yeah, at 21, man, your circle of friends is like everything, you know. But you'll realize as you grow up a bit, everyone's gonna have a lot of their own things going on. So to try and hold on to something and put off what you got going on, because they don't want to do it, is something that I was never willing to sacrifice there. So, you know, your real friends will stick around with you long term. You know, that's all I can say, is that no matter what you do, if you're growing apart from them, then that may mean that they're not the right friends right now. But you can always revisit. So I usually put people in categories. I can either spend like 5 minutes with you, 15, a half hour with you. There's certain people who you're gonna find that you know, only certain time you can really spend with them. You know, some people are weekend people. Some people are, you know, 1 hour. So some people are just a phone call at this point. So you got to protect your dream at all costs, man. That's going to be the most important thing. And if you have friends that support that, what a blessing. But if not, I would encourage you to, you know, stick with what your dream is versus trying to make everyone happy, you know?
Yeah, and you might have to separate yourselves from people who don't want to do what you want to do or don't want to become someone you want to become. Right? It might take some separation, but yeah.
Yeah, I have plenty of friends that you know, I have still to this day, but I don't talk to them every day or anything like that. You know, there's only a few people. The circle is pretty small at this point. Only got a few high school buddies left that really I stay in touch with. So yeah, I mean, you grow in life and the right ones will stick around. Yeah, just focus on being a good friend. If you could be a good friend, everything will always work out. Muslim man in the building. What up, Muslim man? Let's go. Let's go. Got you, Dominic. Yeah, man. 21, that age is, you know, hanging out, chilling, enjoying your friends. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, there really isn't. But if they're like downing what you're doing, then there's definitely something wrong with that, right? You want to hang around people who are going to uplift you, lift you up, not people who are going to put you down. Quitting drinking got rid of a lot of my friends, but the good ones stuck around. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Yeah, sometimes you'll notice you're friends with somebody just for X, Y, and Z, right? And once you decide to, hey, I'm not going to do that anymore, right? They stop calling as much. They stop hanging as much. So, yeah. Yeah, we had a pretty decent exhaustion wick here on the 15th, so. Why no bottom wick? Please explain the logic behind it. That I've probably done that like 4 times on this live stream so far. So yeah, you'll be able to find it if you just rewatch some of the stream. Oh, W fast Phantom. Big W right there. Big W. Yeah, another thing people got to work on is the dopamine, man. You guys are chasing dopamine too much. Dopamine means too much to you. Gotta get rid of it, man. That's what happens when you see the guys coming here and, yo, we're taking a trade, or yo, we're doing it like that. They're just chasing dopamine. So limit the dopamine, man. Get it naturally. They think trading's a scam. I'm not getting.
Who doesn't?
I remember in 2020, everyone thought like trading Forex was IML. Oh man, are you in that Forex thing? Are you in the Forex
trying
thing?
to tell you not to do it?
I don't want to get in that Forex
like
group.
It's like, excuse me, bro? Trying to tell me what to do in my life now?
Really respect your patience, man. Thank you. Thank you. I've worked on it hard. I really have. Been many long nights, gang. Long before you guys ever see my face up here.
Oh, bro.
Do you have to sign people up to trade? IML. Some say it's gambling. It is gambling. You know, it is. Life is a gamble. Driving to work is a gamble. No one says you're 100% going to make it there, right? Stepping out the house, stepping out the bed is a gamble. Everything is pretty much a gamble. There is no guarantee, right?
For real. Anything could happen at any point.
Kids happen. Yo, yeah, kids do help with patience. Woo-sa is right. Woo-sa. Woo-sa.
As long as you can take it. Hopefully you got the patience.
Man, my kids are crazy. These kids are nuts. As Maverick gets a little older here now, it's getting wild over here, man. Green.
And another way.
Green, you didn't tell me this was going to happen, bro. Green. TK, what's going on here, man?
Green, you left out a big part of what's happening.
No one around me ever encouraged me. Yeah. Oh, communities like this help a lot. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's what we've basically, our goal was to put together a breeding ground, right, for success here, and that's what we've successfully done, to be honest. You know, we try and keep it as positive and uplifting as possible, because that's what, you know, that's what we need, man. That's what we need. And you know what? No one ever encouraged me either, gang. Outside of my wife and my brothers, and I've been an underdog here for my entire life. Always been the black sheep of the family, all that, right? So you don't need people to encourage you. As long as you can believe in yourself and, you know, have a plan with God and understand what your purpose is, then, man, you got to go after it. You got to go after it regardless of what people say, what they think. Let them say what they want. Let them think what they want. You just march on, right? You just march on your own race.
Tunnel vision. Let's block that noise out.
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't believe in yourself, then you will never get things done. And I struggled with confidence, believe it or not, early on, as, you know, when I was coming up in the game. But, you know, you have to have that super strong belief in yourself that you can do this, because it is going to be tough. You know, it is going to be tough. So.
Sure.
Better
That's
watch
the first step towards success, right? I mean, believing in yourself.
Yeah.
No one else is going to except yourself, so.
Yup. Exactly. Why didn't we enter on this candle? It had no bottom wick. So no bottom wick, no entry for me. No bottom wick, no entry, my friend. So I'm not here to chase volume. I'm not here to chase money. I'm here to be disciplined to what I know works best, right? And I know when there's a bottom wick at 8 a.m., it works best for me. So this candle had no bottom wick, therefore nothing. Yeah, nothing. Only my wife believed in me. Yeah, exactly, man. Like I said, you don't really need people to believe in you as long as you can believe in yourself.
Really?
Yeah. What up, Wix9? Wix9 in the house. Yeah,
hey, yo, shout out Wix9.
Hey, we're on the opposite side now. Usually I'm in your chat. What up, Wix? How you feeling, bro? Yeah, man. We all got a shot here, right, to make a dream a reality. So can you be disciplined enough to get the job done? That's the question. You know, today we've just exercised that discipline muscle here. So is Don alive? Wix9 in the house. Hey, show some love to Wix9 here. Let's get some W's in the chat for Wix. Let's get some W's for Wix.
Those dubs in the chat. Yo, shout out Wix too for those mental tips. And hearing Wix drop some gems, man, and using that knowledge for my future. So shout out Wix.
See, Wix knows what it's like to be a dad. Yeah, man. Them little rugrats. Gotta love them little rugrats. Yeah, there you go. W's. WW. All right, so 9:15 is upon us here. Looks like 15-minute candle is going to close. Looks like it's going to close above the range here. We've got 45 seconds, so let's see. Wix, fix your neon lights. Oh. Hey, give him some time. Give him some time, man. What does he work for y'all? Is he going working for you guys? All right, 19 seconds here. Let's see what we got to the left. Yeah, man. Personally, I don't like this too much. 4 hours giving us no bottom wick. We haven't broken the highs. We're entering into this resistance rejection. Yeah, I don't like this, man. You guys know what I wanted to see here on the 15-minute, right? And we haven't gotten that yet. So, yeah, we missed the move, right? We need to wait for a pullback or something here. You guys, no. The chat's starving. Oh, that brother's starving.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Oh. Yeah. Are you contemplating sells or buys at the moment? I am waiting here. I want to see a pullback here. So I think we may be able to get somewhat of a, if we can get a closure here on the 15 back within this range. And I think we have a high probability of moving down, right? Moving back down to either create a bottom wick or volume driving us to tap back into, you know, this area right here of support rejections here. So it all depends on how this 15 closes, honestly. We do have volume coming in 13 minutes. So we're going to see how the candle closes, and then we'll get a better idea of where the volume should go to. So again, no bottom wick here yet on this candle. So we're way up here, man. Nearest support is way down here at 1987. Very tough to take a buy right now. Very, very tough. Drop the like. Keep doing your thing. Oh, have a good one. Have a good one, Wix. See you later, bro. Thanks for coming by.
Peace.
Have a great day. Enjoy it with them little rugrats. Calling it a day. Alrighty, my friend. Later, later. Time to fast. Time to fast.
Passing from those pips.
1.2 likes today. Hey, proud of you guys here, man. Thanks for the likes today. 1.2 likes. Nice. Sweet, sweet. All right, let's see what the 15 wants to do here. That brother stop.
Damn, bro, I really wanted a pullback after this bullish momentum.
Ditto. We'll probably get it. Patience. Can you please take a look at my chart in charts for stream? Yes. One moment. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. AJ, what up, AJ? How you doing, man? Let's take a look at this. So, support being formed. One, a single 50 pip candle. Yep. Breakout of the support. Is this an overextended breakout? Yes. Yes. Because the nearest resistance is way up here. So 50 pips away. Now, you're forced to use the current candle stops, right? And at any point, those stops can get, or those highs can get taken out, and price can continue down. So therefore, I probably, and I think, were we bearish? Yeah, this was today, right? Yeah, I think this was a little bit too overextended. I probably would have rather have taken my sells off of that resistance right there to try and retest that support. Probably would have closed some partials within that candle there. But that's probably what I would have waited for had I been on the charts at that time. And then this was the other opportunity here, but there was no bottom wick. So this is the position we wanted off this bigger candle here, and got no bottom wick there. So that's the only two trades that I would probably have taken in this this example here. Yeah. Oh, nice. 2,600 here today. Welcome, welcome everyone. Good to have you guys here today. Let's see how the CPI came out here on the CAD. Same numbers, same. Yeah, everything pretty much came out pretty much the same here on the CAD news here. So. Yeah, anyone who took buys earlier pre-New York is sitting pretty right now. Sitting real good. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the only other valid position would be a buy off of this support. So for me, I wanted to wait for a closure pre-New York. But yeah, maybe if you took a buy off of this support also, that may have been another valid playbook position there. Oh, I missed a second out. If the same scenario happens in a high volume time like session open time, can I go for sells? Is that a good idea? Yes, as long as you're comfortable with the current candle stop loss, then yeah. If you break the lows, or if you make a high first and then break your own low, then very, very high chance you'll move down during high times of volume. So yeah, always wait for volume though. Yeah, as long as you're comfortable with that current candle stop, then yeah, you're good to go. Am I trading FOMC later? I am not. I am not. So look, we tapped into that 4-hour wick there. So what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do?
And 4 hours just been driving lately.
Yeah, 4 hour the last few days, we have not gotten any bottom wicks. Look at this 4 hour, very little bottom wick here. Where's the other one? 4 hour here, very little bottom wick. 4 hour here, decent wick, not bad. That one was good. 4 hour, that was good. Yeah. Yeah, last couple days, haven't gotten much of a wick there. That's fine, that's fine.
Yeah, it's totally A-okay.
Don't do us like that, do us like that. Bet, bet.
Say less.
Say less.
I'm a grown ass man.
Sam Capital, you pulling up to the Zoom? The Zoomy Zoom?
See Sam in Zoom.
Oh,
he's not in his.
Oh,
Same
gotcha.
here.
He must be running around with that dog. Those dogs like to
Facts.
play. All right, man. 30 closure coming up, 15 closure coming up in 6 minutes. So will our patience get rewarded here today? We will see. He's running around. Yeah, he's running around with the dog. All right, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna just grab some more water and I'll come right back.
I was like, hey, yo, Sam, come play fetch with me. And I was like, all right, but. What's the best place to get a funded account? I'd say look on Trustpilot, look at the reviews, see what they offer, and go from there. Excuse me. John, what are your thoughts on the boot camp? My thoughts is that there's about to be hella gems and knowledge dropped, and I highly suggest anyone who's not in that should really think about getting in that because it's well worth the money. Well worth it. Gonna be tons and tons of gems drops. Ooh. Guys, what does a candle without a wick mean? It means there's no range. A wick equals a range, so wherever that wick is, if there's no wick, there's no range to go in that direction. John, are you taking these buys if 30 close above 2000 or 2004? Yeah, I'm considering it if we close above 2000. I really wanted that pullback though. Excuse me. John, damn, sorry guys. Where do you stream the London sesh? I do the London sesh on Zoom, so I send the link in the London channel in the Discord. So if you want to come on and hop on the Zoom and vibe with me, chat with me, then go to the London channel in the TT Discord, and that's where the link will be sent. And then you could just hop right on. What happens if there's no range? What does that mean is likely to happen? Well, that means there's a 50-50 chance that that price can go further in that direction.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
But we driving. What time is London? I usually trade London from 1:30 a.m. to like 3:30, 4. Yeah.
Nick, you have a very intelligent brother. Love to see it. Oh yeah, smart man.
Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Kind words.
Appreciate the kind words. Yeah, last 2-hour candle's just been juicing.
I don't know if I'm liking this.
Juicing.
Personally.
Four-hour gave us no bottom wick. Nothing at all.
C4 in the if you're in the TT Discord, the Zoom link sent in the London channel.
C4.
Yeah.
C4's in the house. What up, C4? All right. So 15-minute candle did move up here. And 9:30 is coming in. When I first went with prop firm, how did I know what capital to start with? I think I want to start with 100K. Yeah, I knew I needed 100K. Yeah, I just grabbed 100K. Rafi's still having a massage. That boy having a massage.
As he's getting a massage right now.
All right, what type of range are we looking at? 20, 25 pip range. Womp, womp, womp.
Oh, we've just been so bullish though from here.
I'm going to take a sell now. Is gold going to drop? Oh, maybe. Maybe. So we got 10 seconds here. If we close a no top wick, that would be a pretty strong indication that we may move down. So we'll see how we close in 3, 2, 1. Boom. So candle is closing. And yeah, new 30-minute candle. So we have a range. It's about 24 pips. It's really not the greatest. You know, it really isn't. It's really not the best. It's really not even 24 pips. It's more so whatever this is, right? This is going to be 14 pips. So not going to take any buys. Just way too high up at this point for to take a buy without a pullback. So yeah, we'll see if the
I can already hear Raja.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, if the 15 candles end up closing maybe back like this, then we could take advantage of 945 here to come down. Yeah. Yeah, if not, it may just juice. It may just juice. See if we can get an exhaustion wick here. So if this 15 can drive back down now, leave an exhaustion wick and a resistance, and the sell here at 945 may be in play. May make a lot of sense. Yeah. Time to eat.
Nothing we can do here, y'all.
Our hands are tied.
Raj should be screaming right now at you. How are you gonna take a buy at all these bullish candles?
Yeah, this was the ideal buy we were looking for, right? We wanted to enter on this NY Open candle here. that was the ideal buy, right? So after this, you can't, you know, just start chasing price. So we gotta wait now. We gotta see how. I don't think I'm taking buys here, right? I want to see, unless we get a pullback down towards like 95 and then a support, then I'll take buys, but not gonna take buys here. So we'll see if the 15 closes bearish. If it does, then we can look to potentially have sells on the next 15-minute candle, which is the second candle of the 9:30 NYSE open candle. And if not, then we just say bye-bye. Yeah, I have a feeling that we have no bottom wick here yet. We may come down here. Every time price came in this range, overall we've rejected and moved down. So holy, imagine taking a buy.
I don't.
Let's use this as our support, and take profit is right here, right? Yeah, lovely trade. Lovely trade this would be. Oh, hold on. There we go. Perfect. All right. All right. Yikes.
Yeah, totally. Amazing trade.
Super.
Yeah, that daily candle said, I'm out. Daily candle woke up and decided to be a juicer.
Juicer. It's been opening since ever since the open, it's just been flying here, man. Just flying. Yeah, last month's high. Yeah, now we're coming up for last month's high. So it looks like we tapped and broke our high here this month. And now this candle is filling the wick. Filling the wick. Why can't we take a sell here? Because I can't take a sell because there's 0 bearish candles. So I like to take sells when I see a resistance formed. Oh, nice. Respect. Yeah, glad you're here. Glad you are here. Nothing.
Fuck.
Boring
DJ,
day.
disgusting.
Boring day here. Just watching price drive. One of those days. GJ? Yeah, GJ's. Chalked. Chalked. GJ looks like retest. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. We haven't peeked over here in a bit. Oh, wow. Yeah. Beautiful sells there. Yeah, on a bullish day there. Broke the highs early on and just started driving down on the 4-hour. Wow. Yeah, you see how there's a clean range right here? And look how clean price action was, right? On the way down. So that's why we're always looking for these clean ranges to trade in. Because typically when you have a nice clean candle, the candles that are forming are going to be nice, clean, healthy, big candles as well. So that's why you always want to look for that clean range to trade in. It's okay to trade in these ranges, like as long as you're willing to hold on to the trade for a bit, you know, until it starts to play out. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is why I always like to look for that clean range, because that's when you have the nice candles that just drive down with ease. Yeah, you basically, yeah, this was money actually. So you close below there, you got a celery, boom, drove down. TP would have been right here. Full target. Yeah, it was nice. XAU. Yeah. I told you GJ was a sell. Oh, I was talking about NAS 100, but yeah, GJ's chopped for me. I didn't like this.
DJ, man.
To understand gold, you must become gold. Oh, that's true. This Forex thing is not for me, man. Yeah. Oh, you ain't. There's a lot of people saying that. Trust me. You ain't the only one. I have 2,600 people here. Probably 300 of you max will be doing this for the next decade. Will you be one of them?
Who's gonna be in that little small group? Who's got that dog in him?
Max 300. Max.
Maybe even less. Who gonna be a part of that? Let's go.
Yeah. Claim your spot. Damn. Yeah.
Claim
In order to be one of them, sometimes you just got to let this thing ride on you, man. It's unfortunate, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and look for some more opportunities. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm a dog. I'm a dog.
No trade days are really perfectly A-okay, y'all, right? Trades are just like buses, as my brother Nick would say. We could just catch another one tomorrow, right? We can catch a 30-pip juicer tomorrow. So no worries.
Yeah. Yeah, and what do we always say? A lot of our no trade days typically falls on a day where we're going against the previous daily candle here, right? And another one, you know, another example of that here today. Yeah, now it would have been a trade day if had we had a setup at 8. Yeah, if we would have had that at 8 or an entry at 8, then that would have been beautiful. Yeah, facts. I'm locked in till I hit that dream. Let's get it. I'm new to your stream. Oh, welcome. Did you learn any from Don Vo? Oh yeah. I learned a lot from Don. Yeah, Don is amazing. You have very similar strategy. Yeah. If you guys watched Don back in like 2 years ago, then that's where I learned a lot. You know, I learned a lot from him back then. Yeah, especially professionalism and patience and sticking to your plan, right? By all means necessary. You know, one thing I admired about him the most was that he was disciplined, right? He was willing to stick to his plan no matter what. Just like you see me do today. No bottom wick, no entry. That's what I admired a lot about him. And that's the qualities that I wanted to develop in myself for my own trading career. And we've done it. You know, we've done it. So big thanks to him for helping me out with that. Otherwise, I probably would have chased volume today. You know, and I would have maybe won today, but maybe not tomorrow. So having a true playbook and sticking with it day in and day out, no matter what, is the ultimate the ultimate traits of a true trader. Don learned from you. We're jumping on NASDAQ next year? Yes, we are. Oh, awesome, Amanda. Do I know Jim Rohn? Not personally, but I almost feel like I do.
Same.
Sammy boy's here.
Let's go.
Yeah, I've listened to Jim Rohn for a good part of the last decade.
You know who else you guys should give a listen? Ed Milet. He's fire.
Ed Milet. What up, Sam Capital?
Yo, yo, yo.
How
What's
you
going
doing?
on with gold today, bro? It's just going up.
It's going up on
Yeah,
a
I'm doing great
Tuesday.
though, bro. Yeah, it's going up.
What's good, Sam?
Some good setups in London. What up? What up, John? What's going on, brother? Did you murder the London last night?
Yeah, man, I wanted to, but there was no opportunities, no trades. So
It's all right. Sniper don't pull the trigger if he don't got a clean shot.
Ooh,
Exactly.
I like that.
that's a gem
Dropping
right there, y'all.
wisdom, right? We're dropping gems right away.
Gem of the day.
Gem of the day.
For real.
Gem of the
Yeah.
day.
It's all right. It's all right. Man.
Yeah.
For real. Not much we
Yes.
could do. I mean, we had that opportunity at NY Open, and we didn't get our entry, and it's just been juicing since then.
Yep.
Yeah. It's been going up ugly too.
Yeah. Notice the
We wanted that.
closure. Once you got that
Yeah.
closure, up you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we drew all that out.
Yeah. You gotta love those daily candles though. That no bottom wick just keeps going up. Like, come on, come on. What we
Yeah.
doing?
Hey, bro.
Nah, but hey, we don't argue the chart.
People will be punching their screen.
What up, Green Bink? Bink, I made it.
Bink. Binky Bink Green.
Daily's a joke. Yeah, I was looking at it in like late Asian session last night. I was
Yeah,
like,
that
oh
was
yeah, it's gonna
tight.
be a nice. I was like, it's gonna be a nice day. I thought we were gonna get a nice like top wick for the daily. Come down.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Once I
Right,
looked and seen
yeah.
the break of the highs and all that, I'm like, ah.
Yeah, I was like, oof, we grabbing lots of cash
Yeah.
on the daily to come back down. That's what I was thinking would happen as well. But hey,
Yeah, we drew this entire move out here earlier, chat. So we were right on top of it. Oh, don't you worry. Look at this. Right, we understood the move here. We just needed that bottom wick. Oh, look, I didn't draw the bottom wick on the example. That's what happened.
Damn.
oh,
Damn, my
I see it.
bad.
Glitched it, bro.
Oh no, I did. There it is. There it is. All right. Don't. Yeah, see, we drew it all out, gang. It's no surprise to us what happened here. Very, very disciplined. Good job on being disciplined here today, knowing exactly where price would go and not budging on it unless it gave you your right setup here. But yeah, no surprise that we juiced up, man. 1 hour support, 8 a.m. plus a breakout. Where's price going? Yeah. Yep. It's tough taking trade on these days. No setup, form, all. Yeah, exactly. Happens. It happens some days. When will the bootcamp reg close? Tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, man. Boring day here today. We did talk about a lot of great things, though. So I think there was a good amount of value added here today. And hopefully you've got something and you can take it with you from this session here and make you better, whether it be in your trading or your actual life in general. I think we talked about a lot of good stuff here today. Yeah, and
yeah, I've been listening. It's true. I've been in the chat like, yeah, man, these boys cooking. Trying to get in on that.
Yeah, for
they cooking that stew.
Stew's cooking up.
That stew.
stew. We always cook in the stew.
Yeah.
Sam, how was your morning? Beautiful. How was yours, Ali Reza? Thank you
Beautiful.
for asking. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to see if I can't find some people that I can get these donuts to, because you know how like I've been up every morning, bro. Like I get up, I get there right when they're about to throw them out.
He's handing
They're
the
about to
donos
throw
out.
Like a dozen. Like yeah, they were about to throw out a dozen and a half. I was
Oh.
like, man,
Oh, damn.
You got that hack.
man. Yeah, cause like, bro, I don't eat them.
Right?
Like I can get like 3 bites into a donut.
Yup, for real. Hella small.
Yeah, they're like the ones with like the Oreos and like the all that on it, bro. Crazy.
And so you'll just go there before they throw them all out, and they'll give them to you.
Well, I
pretty
just happen. Yeah, it's like I'll just be up, get a coffee, whatever, for like $1,
much? Or-
and be there. Yeah, right
Yeah,
before I
right.
hit the gym, and then yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
Yo,
Handing them out. He's handing them out.
For real.
If I could, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I gotta find someone that could use them. Yeah, cause I don't know. That's like one thing for me. Like, bro, I was never allowed to waste food. I'll sit there at the table until it was all gone. Can't waste food.
You ain't moving, boy.
Feel that. Feel that.
No, bro, I'll never forget. There was a day I sat there for 5 hours because I didn't want to eat the what was it?
I don't
Like
like
scalp
asparagus.
Scalp potatoes or something, bro.
Those
Bro,
are
I
bad
ate
for
'em,
you
though.
anyway. All vegetables are bad for you.
We gonna start a little debate here.
Yeah, our stomach can't
that's
really
what-
digest them that well. We hitting a hat trick? Oh, we got Asian, London, New York. Oh yeah, no, we'll be back for London. No Asian tonight. I'm gonna get some rest during the Asian session, and then we'll trade London here though tonight. So yeah, for those of you guys that trade London session, we'll be live streaming here on this channel tonight. Or during London. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. Should be fun. Should be fun.
Hella fun.
I'll be here our second time in London.
Yeah.
Me at the London.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Bro, yeah, it's a 24-hour.
Oh
I'm telling
wow.
you. I love that stream. That was so much fun.
Look at this is beautiful price action on NASDAQ right here, man. Like you had a close below, a celery play remaining below the support. Price drives down, closes below, gives you another celery here below support, and you should get a continued drive down to support now. Yeah, that's lovely. That's beautiful.
Nick rests the computer as well. Nah, if he shuts it off, he has to fix everything.
Yeah, I gotta fix it all back up and make it all, dress it all up nice for y'all.
The computer gets no rest. She running.
Oh, nice, Brennan. Yeah, that's a good way to stay disciplined. Just listen. Yeah, it's true.
Facts. That's true.
Am I gonna do straight New York after London? I think we're gonna take a pause. Yeah, I think we're gonna pause it, and then we're gonna have 2 streams. So we'll probably. What time do you normally end London, John?
Like 3:30, 4. If there's no closures at 3:30, I'll end it.
Yeah, we'll probably
could
take
say-
like a 2-hour pause or so.
Yeah, I would. Yeah.
Cause I got to bang out my morning routine and all that stuff. So
100%. And usually the volume will die out anyways till pre-NY.
Yeah.
NY open.
London sesh tonight, gang. Yep.
Be there, be square.
You squirt?
What time's the London start? I think we're gonna begin the stream at 1:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we're entering Johnny Boy's territory, bro. You have to lead us.
Oh yeah. Sorry, gang. You get me tonight, not John. My bad.
Hey,
I
nah,
know.
we chilling. We a team. We'll be there all
I
together.
know. Sam, you pulling up?
I'll be there.
I'm asking Sam live in front of. I don't
Bro,
even know
I've been
how-
here all morning too.
I don't know how
I've been
many
just
people are
sitting here.
He's been chilling in the cut with the doggy. How's the dog today?
It's so funny. It's so windy here today. I have no idea why. I took her out, like right before 9:30. She takes like 2 steps down the stairs, almost get blown away. So I had to bring her back in.
She gone. She gone.
He's like fighting the wind. Like, yo, I need some help.
Bro, she hit like she went like this, and she turned around and just looked at me, staring. I was like, yeah, come on, you going back inside.
It's like, yo, Sam, what's going on?
She's like, Sam, I think it's time to move us to Tampa, Florida.
She's like, well, I'm about to take flight.
Hey, you seen all the snow that I was looking at yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We had a
That
snowy
was
day
so
here.
funny. That I opened that up for a second, and I was like, what? I actually believed it. And then I seen it blowing out of that thing.
Yeah.
Christmas in Florida's got to be the best. Oh.
Yeah, one time I've been to Florida was in January. It was like 50. I'm down there with a t-shirt on. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy.
Everyone else got hoodies on.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. They don't understand that's warm from you, from where you come from.
Yeah. Yeah, Jonas, that's a good question. Maybe I'll look into that at some point. Yeah, what I like about futures is all US regulated, so I like that. 69 and snowing. Yeah, TK. Damn, TK. Sorry, bro.
DK, where are you from again?
Planted it into his head. He remembers the temperature and everything. We never
Where's
close
TK?
the stream.
Oh,
TK's in
Oregon.
Oh, I can't expose
Oregon.
TK's location here. Oh, never mind. He did
you
it.
just told me.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to expose.
You can try and find him in Portland, Oregon. He is that guy.
Bro, that's mad far. TK, come closer.
DK, you moving down to Tampa too or not?
You gonna get the compound going or what?
Really?
TT compound coming soon. We're about to build out the neighborhood, boys.
They got gators.
Bro, I'll handle the gators. Don't worry about it.
I've only seen like 2 baby gators since I've been here. Not that bad.
You just gotta like let them not bite you and you'll be good.
Yo, for real.
Gators are slow anyway. They can't.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
They make it seem like gators can do. I mean, if you're in the Nile with some crocodiles, then that's a different story. But man, these gators, come on,
Gators
shit.
are slow, bro.
slow
They don't-
pokes, man.
They're sleeping half the time, bro.
Dudes are too lazy.
All
I
you
seen
gotta
a
do is
dude who was,
deflect
like-
them too. You just deflect them. Doink. You got a bink. You hit them with the bink. Bink.
Yeah.
Oh wow, is this candle gonna close with no top wick? Look, if this candle closes with no top, I'll stick around for a little longer because if this candle closes with no top wick, then and you get a resistance here, then you may see. Now we have nice clean candles coming down here. So you may see a continued drive right down to retrace this whole move here. So I'll stick around for a little while longer here. Yeah, we do have news too coming in, so that may do something in reference to that resistance.
Let me look. We got home sales.
Orange folder.
Little orange folder.
We love your
Yeah.
American accent. Makes me want to move there. What American accent do you speak of? What is this
from
American
Scotland.
accent you speak of? The American accent. How you doing? What do you want me to do? Hey, bagels? Oh, bagels?
Bagels.
We don't.
Come to Scotland. There's no gators there. Yeah. Hey, my grandparents are from Scotland. Or, yeah.
It's
Why are you selling
Tuesday, isn't it?
signals and boot camps but haven't passed a check? Hey, give me a break, man. I had a bad 2 months. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, pal?
What, you want me to be perfect?
Been profitable for the last 18 months. Had 2 bad months. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bacon, egg, and cheese accent. Yeah, exactly. How you doing? Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, eh? Yeah, it wasn't even a bad 2 months. Just... yeah, it just wasn't good 2 months.
Just Quakers. First time through the ropes, you know?
Yeah. Gold crazy. Yeah, gold is crazy here today. Crazy. Just juice.
That's cool. Gold's allowed to do what it wants.
Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, gang, I'm up about 3% on that previous 400k account. Yo, we brought this thing out the mud. Same
Savage.
trades, just really, really big lot sizes. Yeah, just literally running huge risk on that one. All right, we're rejecting this level here at 2007. So we've come up. What will we do? We've been pushing up for a long time here now. All New York sessions, so. GG. I love ICT. Oh, nice. I trade FVGs. Yeah, I'm not sure what that stands for, but I believe that's just like clean traffic, right? Like I think we call FVG clean traffic. I think the same thing, right?
Yeah. To my understanding. That's what someone that I know who trades that kind of stuff.
Yo, Nick, did you go outside today at all?
I went out back, but I didn't really go out. But I did go out back. Imbalance, clean traffic, FVG. Yeah, I think it's all the same stuff, right? Yeah. Hey, whatever you call it, whatever your strategy is. Like I said, out of the 2,500 people here, I mean, I don't expect all of you guys trade like me. You know, I don't at all. Nor do I expect all you guys are learning from me, right? Some of you guys probably chuckle when I say some things, right? So I never claim to be the perfect trader or the 100% win rate trader. I'm just, doing well for myself trading and very, very passionate about talking about it. So, yeah, so whatever your strategy you have is totally cool. Totally cool. Whatever you call it. Some of us call it clean traffic. Some of us call it FVG, but it's all the same thing.
Yeah. Let the results speak for itself.
Yeah. Yep. Fair value gap. Yeah, same thing. Yep. There it is. Hey, no bottom wick here. Hey, what do you say? All right. Is there an explanation for candles that continue up with no direction, no wicks? Just a lot of volume in the candles. That's it. Just a lot of volume here. Yeah. Nothing too deep. I think institutional traders try to trick price action traders by not forming a bottom wick. Hey, maybe. They fooled us. Yeah, as long as we didn't take a loss on a stupid trade outside of our playbook, that's the only thing that I would be mad about myself on any given day, is taking a dumb loss by taking a dumb trade. But having a no trade day doesn't really affect me too much.
Definitely not.
Oh, nice, Roberto. Yeah, thanks, man. That's all we do, man. You know, we never claim to be these gurus or anything like that. We're just a couple guys here taking trades. Been doing this for a couple years now, so got a good understanding of it, and hopefully what we do and what we say could help. You know, that's really our only goal. Other than that, we could sit here and just trade on our own. Just do what makes you money. They can't fool Raja. Yeah, Raja definitely. I don't know if he took this trade, but he this was your impulse entry right here, right on the break of that high there. That's your best impulse entry for price to move up, and it would have worked out well today here.
Thought I seen him take something. I don't know.
Just come in just because to see the cross. Amen. Amen. The learning trader is very upset here today. Don't know why, but I hope you have a great day, man. Hopefully whatever is upsetting you can settle down and you can enjoy the rest of your day, man. Bummer. You don't want to be upset by people you're never going to meet, dude. You're never going to meet. We have no effect over your life. Just leave the stream and you should be good.
Amen. Good luck.
Good luck, brother.
God bless you.
God bless, brother. Come on, Gold. Give us some resistance. Here it is, gang. Here it is. I know it's coming. Holy. 7, 8,
Yeah,
9, 10. Damn. We've been waiting. We waiting. Oh, yeah. By the way, bro, every trade has been taken right here live on the live stream too, man. Every single trade. Yeah. Yeah, man. George, we're rejecting. Yeah, we're starting to reject here now. This is most likely you're breaking the lows there. You may see a drive here. This is another impulse entry that tends to work out pretty well also, is that when you finally do come up and you break those lows there, then there's a high chance we move down. Yeah. Yeah, I may take a position to move back down. We'll see how the candle closes in 8 minutes. And if not, then we'll be off of here today and back for the London session. Yeah, the London.
You're excited for London.
Sir. Go Goldie, don't go too far with us.
Maybe off the 5 minute. I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't
I'm
know.
gonna slide that way.
I'm
gonna slide that way.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we'll see what happens. 15-minute here is probably gonna be my last call here. Yeah, if anything, I will keep an eye on it throughout the session. But ain't no stopping us now. Gold's moving bullish. I'm working as a pork. Yo, hero of the day. That's funny.
He's the hero.
He is. Oh, look at this. Fake out. Fake out here on gold. Or pound yen. Damn.
What's that range?
Yeah, nasty. Yeah, see, no closure below on the 30. Nothing there, man. 1 hour rejected, 30-minute rejected. The 15 faked you out. So the 15, as we always say, is very low probability, right? Low confirmation time frame. That's why we never enter on those positions there. Very rarely do we enter on the 15.
$15's a little weak.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get this resistance. Some heroes don't wear capes. It's true. Oh, look at this. Nick Stewart is an awesome person with top kindness in trading. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Great kind words.
What a nice thing to say.
Incoming mail.
Oh, incoming mail. Where?
You got mail.
Yeah, 15 low confirmation here. Low.
There's a time and place for the 15.
Can't believe y'all heard that.
Yeah, I did hear that. That was you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's through my
Oh.
headset, bro. Through here, like, yeah, you can hear that somehow.
Wow.
2009 still an easy target. Yeah, if we start breaking highs here, man, you're gonna continue up. Continue up.
Honestly, won't be surprised if gold keeps driving up.
Yeah. Yep. Do I like US 30? I hear good things about US 30, but it's not, you know, I don't trade it. Yeah, I sample size US 30 for like 10 months and just wasn't really feeling it that much. Where is US 30? Yeah, but NAS 100 looks good. NAS 100 I do like, and I am excited about trading this pair here next year. Yeah.
It'd be fun, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, NAS and gold are probably gonna be the moves here for next year. Yep. Probably gonna get rid of pound yen at least for the first half of the year and see how everything develops. But NASDAQ and gold are gonna be R2. Yeah, it's gonna be R2.
And I really hope Pound Yen can get back to how it used to be.
Yeah.
Don't bring out the Brexit again.
Bring out the
Yo,
Brexit. When GJ was GJ, and now we don't know who GJ is.
For real. Lost.
Now GJ, there's 5 days of the week. It picks one to do the whole move, and then the other 4 days, nothing.
Yo, facts.
One day a week you could trade this.
You gotta hope that the day you trade it is the day that it's gonna move.
Now we range, and yeah, Pound Yen's been ranging all session too. These are all hourly candles here. I'm mad that he's scamming and capping. Oh, damn, the learning trader is still in here. Oh,
damn.
And still hasn't. I think you're just mad because you can just never do what we've done here, bro. What we've done, you can never. You can never.
True.
So that's what happens. People come in and they quake and they hate because for some reason our success is triggering him or her. I don't know if it's a him or her.
And
Yeah, I
hurt
feel
people,
bad for
hurt
you,
people.
dog.
Yeah, man.
I feel bad for you, dog.
Go for a walk.
Show
Go for a
payout.
walk,
We
man.
already showed payouts on my Forex funds. What are you talking about? And we've also called about 150
Ew.
trades this year.
Real, bro. You show us your payouts, dog. Right? We don't want to get
I
each
don't
other's
work.
personal
I don't
space.
work for you. What do I work for you? Hey, you're on my
Right.
stream, dude. Have fun. Hope you learn a bit. Yeah, I know remember when you guys asked me about the Quakers? I know successful people, they don't say things like that. So you can easily see who's probably like a 14-year-old in his mom's basement, chilling in his boxers right now, hiding under the Learning Trader 2024. Yeah, that's a good one.
Bro, just hop off the chat, bro, and continue learning.
Imagine
I wish you
jumping on
got-
a guy's stream and being mad in the chat. Holy!
I can never.
Dude chose anger today.
Yeah, man.
He
Yeah,
chose
man.
the little code pixels to get the emotions flowing.
Just show proof. Bro, we do this every day live. Literally. Every day.
And like either way, bro, you know, no one's got to show anything like that.
Let's feed him. Let's feed him.
Brother, stop.
Dude's getting a little personal.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
What a way to spend your day. That's too funny.
Wasting your breath, man.
My man's fingers are going.
I like this.
That's
Andrew
that keyboard
Tater
ninja right there.
Andrew Tater hops in here every like 30 seconds to type in what a broke.
Oh,
It's
man.
like his 5th comment saying that.
I'm going to have to bring out the weapon here. Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, bring out the sword.
Oh, damn. Where is it? What was it called again? Yeah, here it is. Stop playing with us. Ta, 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 ta. Learn how to trade in 24. Ta, 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 ta. Whoosha, 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 whoosha. Go hit him with
Yo,
the
that's
whoosh.
crazy.
Slice and dice, son. It's time to eat. Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Crazy.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Now I can see how we could have took the buy. There we go. Yo, Alexandru.
I'm done.
Anyway, yeah, nothing here on the 15. So obviously the bullish candles are slowing down a bit, but there's still no signs of sells at all. Not really looking to take any buys up here, anything like that. So just gonna probably call it a day. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
I think so. I think so.
Yeah, same for me.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it a
Feels like you
day
were-
here.
Yeah. Like you were saying, like, I don't know, 15-minute candle, bro. I'd rather want to see like a 1 hour
Yeah.
or like a 30-minute at least.
Yeah, me too. And then we're gonna have to wait another 30, 15 minutes. Yeah, probably gonna wait. Probably gonna
Maybe, like,
wait here
11 by
alone.
then.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yep. All right. I think that'll do it here today, chat. What a day. Great day. A lot of value here on this stream. Go back and watch it. Take some notes on it. We really, really did talk about some very important stuff today, especially when it comes to navigating through your trading career, right? Although we didn't get a trade today, we did talk and discuss a lot of really, really good topics today that I believe can really set you guys up for success here in the next, literally couple months. So take some notes on today's stream if you didn't already, and soak it up, man. Soak up the knowledge, and we'll be back later on for the London session. So we're going to come back for the London session tonight. Hopefully you guys will be there, all you London traders. So just keep an eye out on YouTube. It'll just be like any other day, right? The stream will be up there, and we'll see if we can find something here in London. We'll see how the daily candle closes today, and see where we're at. All right. So love y'all.
Sir.
Hope you guys have a great one. What was the name again? Quaker. What was his name?
New Trader 24 something.
New Trader
Tiger.
24. Appreciate you
94.
coming by. I hope you have a blessed day, man. I really, really do. I'm hoping the best for you. I'm hoping that whatever's disturbing you outside of our stream can get settled, and that you won't have to worry about other people who you'll never meet in your life. So big W's, big blessings to the New Trader 24 or whatever his name was, and blessings to the rest of you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and we will see you later on for the London session, ladies and gents. First TTE London stream. So we'll look forward to seeing you guys there.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
I'll see you guys there.
All right,
I
y'all.
bet. Peace, boys.
Chat, all the mods,
Yep.
appreciate you
Sam.
guys.
Chat.
Take it easy.
Yes, sir.
John,
Later,
Nick,
boys.
chat. Take it easy.
Peace.
All right, chat. Later,
Peace.
y'all. Y'all guys have a good day. Mods, thank you guys for coming through and doing what you do. And we're gone, baby. We're out of here. See you guys in London. Deuces.